Samedi en direct,
Là,
mais il n'y a pas d'image. Oh! Je pense qu'il y a une image là. Est-ce que quelqu'un peut aller me dire si YouTube c'est correct?
Ça.
Alright, ça en a pas pire. Je pense qu'on est good, techniquement.
Ouais,
oui,
on
ça
avait...
marche sur YouTube, il y a le son, il y a l'image.
Comment?
YouTube, ça marche, il y a le son, il y a l'image.
Super, magnifique. C'est sûr qu'il y a un petit délai là, mais. Alright. Steve, ça marche.
Good?
That's pretty cool.
Hello, how are you, everyone?
Hello, hello, comment ça va aller?
Ça va? Bien, et vous?
Super, super. On va mettre ça ici. Alright. Si on met ça ici, c'est pas pire. Comme ça. Alright. Awesome! That's exciting! Trying the new software. So good morning, everyone. So first time at 5:30-ish. Yeah, a couple minutes late because I had to restart the computer. I had a bug with Zoom, so it is what it is. Donc, bon matin à tous, bon matin. Bienvenue, bienvenue, bienvenue. Hey, are we really going to trade live today? Yes. That's the plan. It is the plan. All right. So let's jump into those charts right away. And after that, we're gonna break down GJ. So all right. So here, that's GJ 30 minutes. So 30-minute close below support. Enter on the low. Candle came to number 3. Where's number 3? Oh, hard stop. Oh my gosh, she had a pretty big stop. So next time, maybe what you can do is jump on the 15-minute and try to look if you can get a smaller stop. So I don't know, I didn't check yet, but sometimes you can get a smaller stop, but that's a pretty big stop, man. Hopefully you reduce your risk. Candle retrace to entry and get out on 1.3 pips. So candle came to 9.7. Oh, so you missed your partial TP by 3.3 pips.
Yeah, man.
Oh man, what's up with that, Andrew?
Yeah, man. Fuck.
Whoa, watch out the F-bomb. We don't want YouTube to block the video.
And DJ on London? No, I don't know.
Yeah. So I didn't check. I didn't check if it was news or not. So I don't know.
It went almost to 10 pips and it retraced to
Yeah,
draw down. So I just get out, just goodbye.
There we go. All right. So let's go back to this. We got this LE. So Ellie's trade. Alright, so fake out to the downside, engulfing close again to the range, clear traffic, take a buy, take but to retest the resistance counter trend, and
Bye, bye.
oh yeah, buy, I guess. yeah.
Come on, man.
Alright, so yeah, in and out quick, counter trend. At least you knew, so that's good. If you're on the Zoom, you can send the full link from TradingView. It's be easier, but I'll take a look at this. And after that, I'm gonna break down GJ. Oops. Yeah, maybe send me your full link. So I don't know why it's not working. All right. What's up, Tony? Tony Tones. Took a London session trade today. Was it too risky and should I have waited? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, last one, and after that, I'm gonna start breaking down what I got on my chart. All right, so this is GU 15 minutes. Support and resistance form right here. Yeah, this was gold shit. Number 2, where's number 2? 20 pips range to the next available area. 30 pips range on the 15 minutes to the upside. For a pre-London no break of resistance. Price heading in down with momentum. Okay. Trade close at B. 07 close. 6 took impulse entry with London open volume and support was broken. Oh yes, you took it right here. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. And close. So I don't know, sometimes GU will give you the retest, but I guess with volume, if it was volume time in London session, yeah, that's a great impulse. Great trade, man. All right, so let's go back here. All right, so let's do this breakdown here. So I don't know if it's better when I'm full screen like this or it doesn't change anything, but oh my gosh, the computer is so slow. Hopefully I'm not gonna have any problem. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy a new computer. I think my new laptop, I thought it was powerful, but I guess it's not. So it is. Whoa, what's going on here? Here we go. All right, sorry guys. All right, so let's do this breakdown. So guys, if it's your first time here, don't freak out. I'm going to be bouncing from French to English. Don't worry, you're not going to miss anything. Donc, si c'est votre première fois, bienvenue. Je vais passer de français à anglais et n'ayez pas peur, vous n'allez pas rien manquer, ok? Oh my gosh, the computer is so slow. Hopefully it's not lagging right now on YouTube. But yeah, we'll try to do our best here. All right, so basically, if you look on the monthly right now, I mean, the monthly is in what, 15 days, almost halfway, and looks like a doji right now. So we broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically, I mean, on the monthly, we should continue up at one moment because technically we broke previous high, right? But so far, I mean, if we break this on the monthly, of course, there's going to be a change of direction. But until then, this is trending bearish, right? So we came back up a little bit to come back down. So let's look at the weekly. Donc sur la chandelle du mois, dans le fond, on n'a pas beaucoup d'indications présentement parce que, bon, on a brisé le haut précédent, mais présentement, elle ressemble plus à un doji. Il y a beaucoup d'incertitudes présentement. Si on regarde la weekly, on a le même concept ici. Je vais juste regarder si on... Wow, ça a du sens. Ok, parfait. So, sur le weekly, si on regarde, la semaine passée, il a fermé bearish. Là, on continue dans la même direction. So, techniquement, on devrait continuer cette semaine vers le bas. So, technically, on the weekly right now, I mean, last week we closed bearish. We should continue in this direction this week. Looking at the daily, now we're going to get more information. Oh my gosh, my computer is so slow. Oh, Steve, je pense qu'il va falloir que tu m'achètes un ordi, man. On va te placer une commande, je pense. Et là.
Faudra juste pas que tu triggers en retard si jamais il y a un trade.
Ouais, non, c'est ça.
Ouais, ça lag en maudit.
Ah ouais, hein, c'est...
Ah ouais, ton écran.
So, hopefully...
On aurait dû faire un test aussi avec Zoom. Avec les trois ensemble, c'est pour ça.
Ah, je suis mieux d'enlever les caméras des autres?
Ben, je sais pas, mais je sais qu'il allait avoir les trois. Ça commence à être pas mal.
Ok. Si je fais juste ça ici. Hop, ou ça ici.
Parce qu'anyway, dans le Zoom, on le voit pas à la caméra.
On le voit. Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est juste un rectangle noir, là, fait que...
Ah, vous autres, vous voyez pas le... Ah, ok.
Non.
Non. Vu qu'on a notre propre caméra, fait que...
So, how can I change that? Que ça soit juste moi.
Ouais.
Comment je fais que ça soit juste moi?
En haut, t'as comme une petite barre plate, un carré, puis plein de carrés, là.
Je sais pas si ça va changer quelque chose. J'enlève la caméra. Mais...
Ça devrait.
Ou vous autres, fermez donc vos caméras.
Hmm.
Ouais, ça va m'aider. On va voir si ça fait une différence. Okay, sorry guys. So I just had to adjust something with the camera, so hopefully it's hopefully it works. Okay, so let's come back to the daily. All right, so daily. I mean, yesterday closed bearish, but funky enough, we broke previous high, respected previous low. I mean, yeah. So, whoa, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's because of the gap. Okay. I was like, wait a minute. So we got a pretty big gap to fill. So probably gonna fill that today. So looking at the 4 hour right now. So sorry guys, I'm kind of distracted right now. My computer is acting funky. All right. So looking at H4, I mean, if you're looking right now, I mean, we're sitting on that support. So we're kind of ranging in that 4 hour range, but it's a pretty good range. Now I'm waiting to see if we're gonna break down or break up. I mean, we're gonna go to the lower time frame to set a direction. By the way, if it's your first time, the blue line right now, if you're asking, those are quarter points. I don't trade based on that, but they gave me hints. You know, they gave me hints. So I like to call them hints. Donc principalement, ligne bleue que vous voyez présentement, c'est des quarter points. Donc je trade pas basé strictement avec ça. Mais ça va me donner des indices sur où le prix va aller. Okay? Donc si on regarde, looking at H1, that's where we're gonna spend most of our time on H1 in 30 minutes. So let's get this bigger. Man, it's laggy. All right, so right now if you take a look at this range here on H1, I mean, that's a 36 pip range. Right now, I mean, we're coming back up, okay? But I would like to see price breaking and closing under 138.500. You see how this QP is very well respected? So I want to see a close under this to take a sell, but that's going to be a very risky because, I mean, this is a tight range. We got only, how many pips we got in there? We have only 13 pips. Yeah, that's going to be a too small range. So we're going to have to wait to break under this. So we'll see if we can get something better on the 30 minutes. Oh, let me go back to 1 hour for a second. I'm going to do this in French, sorry. Donc principalement, donc si on regarde en H1, donc on a ce support ici à 138,500 qui est très bien respecté. Et j'aimerais voir un break et close en bas de ça pour continuer vers le bas. Probably gonna have a reverse pattern around like 138,750. Maybe we're gonna be able to start taking entry, but it will be nice for price to come create resistance around here on top, and we start selling, you know, and breaking those zones with NY open or NYC open. Donc la meilleure chose, ce serait que le prix commence à aller un peu plus haut, créer une résistance autour d'ici, qu'on puisse rentrer une entrée, puis qu'avec le volume de New York Open puis NYC, on soit capable de briser ces deux zones-là facilement. Ça serait l'idéal. Man, I feel I'm lagging myself. I have a headache right now this morning, so sorry guys if I'm not top notch. I have a huge headache, so. And only drank 2 beer yesterday, so that's not the beer. All right, so looking at 30 minutes right now, I mean, we formed support, and now we're just, you know, we don't know what to do. So far, we broke previous highs. So technically, I mean, looking left, this candle should continue go up, and I will expect this to start creating resistance probably around here, you know, around 750. To be honest, it will be best to create it a little bit above so we get more range, but I think it's going to create around 750. Moi, je pense on devrait créer une résistance autour de 750, puis pour pouvoir continuer plus bas. So, si on regarde ça ici, juste pour le fun, it's so laggy. Oh, on est direct dedans en plus. On est directement ce que j'appelle le golden zone. Donc, on a c'est une zone de réjection sur la fibre. Donc, entre le 61.8 puis le 50. So if we look at this is a fib rejection between 618 and 50. So I'm just gonna remove that because I don't want the full fib. I just want this zone, and we're gonna put yellow. So again, I don't trade based on that, but they are hints, right? So I like to call them hints. So I'm gonna put that yellow. God damn, computer is so slow. Hopefully on YouTube right now I don't know if it's super laggy. Alright, so I think we've got everything. Let's remove that. So I think I don't need that, right? Yes, let's do this. There we go. Alright. Ferme les applications que tu utilises pas depuis le gestionnaire des tâches comme Telegram ou Discord. Oh, c'est une bonne idée. J'avais pas vu ton message. On va fermer ça. On va fermer... comment je fais dans gestionnaire de tâches? Sous gestionnaire de tâches. Gestionnaire de tâches. Dans quoi je vais pour gestionnaire de tâches? Je pense que j'ai pas d'autre chose devant. Telegram.
Control Alt Delete, c'est là dans la gestion des tâches?
Ah, Control Alt Delete. Wow.
Ouais, dans le bas, ça a marqué gestionnaire de tâches.
Ouais, ok. Gestionnaire de tâches. Ouais, je pense que j'ai pas grand chose d'ouvert là.
Bon.
Ok, parfait ça. Alright, ok. Relax Sacha, c'est pas grave que tu là-bas quand tu pourras chaque chose en son temps. Merci Vince de me supporter. J'étais un peu stressé. Alright, let's go back in that chart. In that chat. Hey Sasha, can you explain that 250, 500? I know it's quarter point, but from me, okay, perfect. So we're gonna take a look at that. Okay, so let's see if we got. I'm looking for 30-minute. So Gabriel, I'm looking for 30-minute bearish candle, and we'll look for sells on the break of this low. Yes, it will make sense if we closed bearish, but right now it looks like it doesn't know what to do. What time is it? So we got 7 minutes left. Hey Sasha, now you can explain. Yes, I'm gonna explain that. From this application, okay, and then right on the golden zone. Yes. Can you please look at my GG chart? Yes. We're gonna take a look. So, like this. Alright, so looking for buys in this area. This is what? This is GJ 30-minute. Okay, looking for buys in this area. Since price consolidated, it might break out from the range on the Asian close. Should I wait for candle to close above for impulse entry with the momentum? Look for sales area. Fill the gap. Yes. Well, of course, yes. You wanna make sure we closed above here, of course. But hold on, wait a minute. This is previous chart, right? 138.863. Yeah, and you're missing a zone here. So I think you need to redraw your zone because I mean look, that's support here. I mean yeah, you're missing zones. So basically for buys, I mean you're gonna go above 138.900 for any buys. Right now, anyone that took a buy here, I mean, hopefully you secure position and that the runner does the job. But to be honest, I will close pretty much everything at this point on my side. If it was me in this trade, I will be closing because I know it's a counter trend, you know. So
Yeah, I closed everything.
yeah. Yeah, it looks like an old trade. So guys, if you're sending trades, send trades that, I mean, that's gonna help everyone. Especially if it's a winning trade and you won this London. I mean, that's good and congrats. That's awesome. But I mean, it's not gonna help anyone. If you're sending something that you lost, I mean, yes, maybe we can, you know, correct this shot for next time, but it's not gonna help everyone if you're sending past chart right now. All right. All right. So right now, close this here. Oh, what I did. All right. Forgot to check, but I don't think we got news here, do we? Let's get this and let's go this. Let's check what we got. Yeah, we got nothing much. Yes, I guess that's what happened, but that was really nothing important here. So sometimes I got questions, people asking me where I looked for news. It's mainly Forex Live, Forex Factory, and Forex Calendar. So yeah, nothing much. Alright. Donc, on n'a pas vraiment beaucoup de nouvelles pour l'instant. I mean, pour l'instant, pas aujourd'hui. Il n'y a pas grand-chose qui devrait changer à ce niveau-là. Niveau fondamental, évidemment, il faut toujours faire attention. On ne sait pas comment le prévoir, là, mais il faut être au courant des fois quand il y a des Brexit news. By the way, les gars, si jamais vous voulez venir parler, il n'y a pas de trouble, là, vous pouvez quand même. Là. Juste peut-être pas allumer la caméra. Je ne sais pas si c'est mieux depuis que les caméras sont fermées. Pour être honnête, j'ai pas remarqué. Mais...
Ben, j'ai pas vu de différence.
Non, ok, bon.
Non, moi je pense que c'est plus ton carré, je sais pas c'est quoi là, de YouTube, là. Je pense que ça doit pas aider.
Mon carré de YouTube?
Ou ben, je sais pas si c'est YouTube, mais nous autres on voit un carré gris là.
C'est dans Zoom, ça c'est parce que c'est ma caméra.
Ah, ok.
Ouais, c'est ma caméra.
Parce que t'as pas. Ah ouais, parce que nous autres on voit. Ah, c'est pour la montrer dans YouTube, parce que nous autres on voit.
C'est ça, exactement.
Ok.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ce carré-là. So for people on Zoom, the black screen that you see, it's the camera for YouTube to be able to see me. So that's what it is. Hi Sasha, great to see you. I have a question. When there's not a good SL but structure is good and you are sure that it will go, you think, how do you set up your SL at this case? If the stop loss is too big, I just don't take the trade, you know. Or sometimes I'm gonna look at the 15-minute and try to get a smaller stop, you know. So that's the two options. So if I'm not able to get a smaller stop on 15 minutes, just not gonna take the trade, you know. So all right, so at this point, I mean, it's really hard right now for me to, I mean, because we got that 500 level, right? So I think I'm gonna take a very, very small entry, because that's risky. And we got 500 right in my face, so I don't really like that. So we'll see. I'm gonna wait to see if we form that top wick, and we're gonna start breaking down. I'm gonna take a small entry. So let me see if my magic key works. Oh, here we go. It works. So that's good. So I can place my stop above the previous 30, and if we break the low, I'm gonna take an entry. And this time I'm waiting to break the low because, I mean, I want a better confirmation, you know, so.
Hey, Sasha.
Yep.
How do you like that gap fill this morning? I was up at around 3 a.m. to watch it.
Ooh. Yeah, man, GJ melt.
Yeah, usually on Tuesday it does fill that gap.
Yeah. And we still got some to go. Yeah, we still got some to fill, so. All right, so bonjour monsieur, bonjour ça va? Blue equal quarter point, yes. 71% on fib is a great level in my experience. Yes, it's like a safety net. It's like a safety net. Hey Zane. All right. So I'm just gonna ask, because I don't know why. I think since I'm running OBS at the same time, I think my computer is very slow. So, if you, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference if you close your camera or not. I don't think it makes a difference. So, just keep it open. Google Drive. Oh, you have OBS and Zoom and YouTube stream open? Yes. So, yeah. So I guess my computer is is doing some heavy lifting right now. So, plus your Google with chart and MT5. Yeah, 2 MT4 open. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to buy tower, I guess. Ok, j'attends juste de voir si on va briser la wick d'en bas pour pouvoir prendre une petite entrée. So I'm just waiting to see if we can break that bottom wick to take a small entry, but again, it's risky. We got 500 right there. I would prefer for price to come, you know, come higher a little bit, create resistance around here, and start coming back down. That's would be my preference. And this zone, the reason why I leave this zone here, it's because on H1, if you look, it's right on the support on H1. So that's why, I mean, this is risky, you know. We got 138 500, but we got the H1 support right there. So I would prefer for price to coming back up and create resistance a little higher, you know. So that's why I didn't take the entry on the opening candle. Donc c'est ça la raison pourquoi j'ai pas pris l'entrée sur l'ouverture de la chandelle. Juste voir sur... ouais. H1 didn't break the high. Non, effectivement. Si on regarde ça, if you're looking at H1, previous candle, close as a doji, so it's kind of a write-off candle. Donc, cette chandelle-là fermée comme un doji, pour moi, c'est une chandelle que je ne considère pas parce qu'elle est ouverte et fermée principalement au même endroit. Donc, à cause de ça, pour moi, c'est une chandelle que je ne prendrai pas en considération. Et techniquement, on devrait continuer plus haut. Oh, guys. Okay, so who wants to get banned here? So, come on, guys. Really? Alright, so. Alright, so. Oh, we got Kerwin in the house. Kerwin in the house.
What's up,
Morning.
Kerwin?
Good morning.
How
Morning.
you doing, buddy?
Hey, good. It's a pleasure.
Welcome, Kervin.
Hey, man. How are you, my brother?
Alright.
I heard you're
let me
looking
try to
for
move
sales, Sasha.
Sorry?
You're looking for sales on GJ.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm looking for sales basically. I'm just trying to make your room for the camera. Trying to bring you up there on the screen. Ok, quelqu'un sur le micro qui fait du bruit. Oops.
What's up, Phil?
Hey.
I'm just trying to.
Morning, Mark.
Hold on, I'm trying to bring you up there. How do I do that?
Holy fuck, look at GJ, just shut up.
Yeah, I just
Broke
moved,
previous
like,
30-minute high and 1 hour high. God damn.
Yeah,
sure,
with GJ, be careful because we still respecting support. Was created yesterday at opening. On Sunday. So it's rejecting that area. So if you take a look at the hourly candles, you're gonna find that you had a very bullish candle, 1 hour candle that created support. The next one is basically a doji, which means range in that area. So this is a messy area for GJ. I will say better sales will be below 138, 240.
under this, right?
Yeah, basically living from this area. Once you start leaving this area, this color, leaving this area. Once you start leaving that area, this area right here, you have basically clear traffic to the downside. Here, you had rejection. Now you're still having rejections from here. This hourly candle, the previous one, the 6 a.m. candle, 5 a.m. candle closed at 6. So rejected that area too. So far this one start breaking above this candle.
Yeah.
And now GJ can easily come retest this area for doing something else, but you're still trading in this messy range. Just be careful. I will say look for sales. Like I said, below that area right here.
Yeah, I wanted to create resistance like above, like around here, to coming back down. So that's what I was looking for, the better setup for me. I mean, right here it was super risky because you got the 138.500 right in your face. You got that H1 support. Yeah. So that's why I'm taking a small.
I tend to agree with that. I heard you saying about the 500 level, and it's a strong level. So if you take a look at the body of the candles, are basically closing above the 500 level.
Yeah, it's rejecting hard,
Yeah.
So principalement, so I'm going to translate what you just said. So basically, ce que Kerwin disait principalement, c'est que lui, il regarde pour un sell principalement en bas de cette zone-là, un petit peu comme qu'est-ce qu'on avait dit tantôt parce que ce range-là était trop petit. Donc, il y a les réjections de ces wicks-là dans cette zone-là, donc qui poussent le prix vers le haut. Il y a ces wicks-là à remplir. Puis tout ça ici, c'est une zone. Okay? Donc, C'est un petit peu ça qu'ils regardent en ce moment. Yeah, so let me switch that to gold. Let me switch that to gold. I'm gonna try to translate as you go, so
Okay.
we'll try that. We'll try that. So I didn't do any chart on that was zoned from a couple days ago, but let me delete that. Do you want the 30-minute?
We can start with the 4 hour because it's gonna give us the best confirmations.
Like this, you good?
Yeah, okay, Chi. So basically, the current 4 hour candle that is starting basically this area right here. Price action. Can you no, it's okay. It's okay right there. So basically, this 4 hour candle just started to create some sort of resistance that point, right? So if you look at price action, basically every time we trade price action, we tend to agree that this is our fresh support based on higher time frames, right? So if we had this rejection from here, if we had this rejection, all this messy area, and the body of the candles are basically doing this area right here.
Okay, give me one second. I'm just gonna translate from there to there. Donc, principalement, ce que Kerwin regarde présentement sur l'or, c'est que si on regarde, on est en train de former une résistance en H4. Puis si on regarde partout où est-ce que les flèches qui ont pointé, c'est toutes des wicks qui ont été rejetés à ces niveaux-là. Donc, techniquement, on devrait faire la même chose ici, là. Donc, on devrait faire un effet miroir. Puis c'est du power que ça donne aux chandelles pour bouger aussi. So you can go ahead.
Okay, so this is telling me that this area right here, it's about to create a range in this
Donc, ce
area.
qui me dit que c'est dans cette région-là qu'on devrait commencer à créer un range.
So anything breaking above this area or breaking below this area, you can mirror candles coming to this area right here, or you can mirror candle going this way.
Fait qu'il dit n'importe quoi qui brise en haut des deux lignes rouges, de la ligne rouge ou en bas de la ligne rouge, serait des endroits parfaits pour miroir les chandelles qu'il y a à gauche. Donc d'aller voir des beaux mouvements vers le bas ou vers le haut. Mais lui, ce qu'il prévoit, c'est de sortir de cette zone-là qui est faite en dessous de lignes rouges.
So that's on 4 hour, and now we can drop this chart to 30 minutes.
Alright. Donc ça, c'était le 4 heures. Là, on va aller voir sur le 30 minutes. So you want it like this?
Yeah, we'll need to zoom out, and squeeze the chart so we can see it. Yeah.
Man, my computer is so slow. You good like this or smaller?
Smaller. I still can see the candles.
Maybe because of this. Let me move the camera. Maybe.
Well, you can go to 1 hour. The idea is gonna be in 1 hour also, so you can go 1 hour.
Like this?
Yeah, that can work. So basically, when you go to the 30 minutes, should looks better, but we're gonna do it in 1 hour. So basically, you don't want to be trading at this level right here.
Donc, principalement, tu veux juste pas prendre de trade à ce niveau-là.
because you had these previous rejections
Parce que
from here.
parce qu'il y a ces réjections-là précédentes.
Okay.
Donc, c'est vraiment une zone de réjection forte, là. Vous voyez les 3 réjections qu'il y a là.
The easiest way to take some sort of buys toward this area is if you have some sort of pullbacks toward this area right here, create support, and then New York opening should start filling those wicks. But you don't want to trade in this area right here.
OK, donc la meilleure façon d'aller prendre ce move-là, ce serait d'avoir un mouvement vers le bas, un petit peu créer un support un peu plus bas où est-ce qu'il y avait sa flèche rouge par en bas, autour de ici. Puis avec le volume de NY Open, là, de briser cette zone-là ici. Mais présentement, là, ici, là, tu veux juste pas prendre un trade, c'est ce qu'il dit. On a drop to the 30?
Yeah.
Like this? Or smaller?
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's fine. And now, can you move the chart to the left?
Like this?
A little bit more. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So basically, right now, the current 30-minute candle broke below the previous one. Simple price action, okay?
Mhm.
So what you want to see is if you want to look for some sort of buys, you will need some sort of support.
Et donc,
this area.
principalement, là, si on regarde le price action de base, si on regarde la chandelle actuelle, a présentement brisé le lot précédent. Donc, si on regarde pour un achat, you said if you're looking for buys, what?
You will need to have a support created around that area.
Donc, tu vas avoir besoin d'un support qui va être formé autour de cette région-là actuelle.
Because basically what you want to see, it's even though if you have wicks to the downside, but if you have a 30-minute candle doing something like this on gold, you can expect that probably New York will give you some sort of hopes.
Donc, si on voit une chandelle, là, la
Plus
prochaine
difficile.
chandelle qui ferme comme ça puis qui crée un support, techniquement, ben, sur le volume de New York, on devrait être capable d'aller créer notre achat ici, sur gold.
And then you have already the idea that you're not gonna look for buys toward 1870, 18 whatever your first target. If you enter at the break of a candle, something like this, your target should be this area right here.
Donc, si tu achètes sur la formation de cette chandelle-là, après celle-là qui a fermé bearish, donc sur le bris du haut, ton target devrait être ici sur le top de ces wicks-là.
So basically, the idea is taking the same move that we're having the from London, from Asia and London. So
Right.
we want to see if it's a bullish move. We want to see some sort of candle like this, and then your job is gonna be I trade different compared to others because my entries are in lower time frames, 5 minutes, because I tend to risk less based on 5 minutes. So my stop loss is no more than 30 pips on gold. But some people may say, well, 30 pips on gold is too much for me. Yes, it can be too much, but remember, okay, go ahead, translate.
Thanks. Donc, principalement, ce qu'on voudrait voir, c'est un mouvement un petit peu comme qu'est-ce qu'il y a eu autour de London, exactement comme ça ici. Donc, une chandelle qui va fermer bearish, comme bullish par après, comme ce qu'il avait dessiné. Puis quand on va briser le long, devrait pouvoir miroir ce mouvement-là ici. Puis le target devrait être le top de ces wicks-là ici. OK? Donc, ça devrait être principalement ça. Lui, c'est sûr que ce qu'il explique, c'est que il trade un petit peu différent parce qu'il est beaucoup sur le 5 minutes. Ça lui permet de risquer moins Mais par contre, ça prend de l'expérience, là, ça c'est sûr et certain. Il dit qu'il peut aller chercher des stops des fois de 30 pips sur l'or. Puis là, des fois, il y a des gens qui vont dire, ben là, 30 pips, c'est trop pour moi. Puis là, on était rendu là. So, we were at 30 pips, it's too big for me.
Okay, so 30 pips for me, somebody may say, well, 30 pips is too much for me, but at that point, you don't have to risk at all. You know, if you start seeing some sort of candles coming against you, you're free to close the entire position, or you can close 50%. So at that point, you're not gonna risk the entire position that you open in 30 pip stop loss, because yeah, gold can move easily 30 pips in less than 15 minutes. But at that point, it's your decision to hold the trade. And based in the lower time frames, you will see how gold reject some sort of levels. So if you can go to 15 minutes, Sasha.
Yep. Donc, ce qu'on expliquait là.
Okay, you can leave it there. 5 minutes is even better.
Donc, il dit, vous allez voir sur les time frames plus petits à quel point il y a beaucoup de réjection.
Yeah. So basically, if you can see here, this is your fresh range coming to pre-New York session, right?
Donc, ça, c'est votre nouveau range. Ça, c'est votre nouveau range en rentrant dans New York.
Yeah. So basically, that's your range. Anything trading below this area is gonna come as we can see here, maybe this area, and this is the next target, the next area. But remember that 1839, we want to have some sort of support around this area. This is what I will ideally look for support to be created. I want to see a dip down toward this area, even if a wick of the candle come to retest this area right here. Let's say you have a wick coming toward this area, but the body of the candle close above this area. That's a terrible drawing, by the way. I have never seen a candle like that.
Let me try to do that. So basically, you were looking to just sum of that. You were looking to break this, right? To mirror those, right?
Yeah. I'm expecting a more correction on gold coming to 1839, somewhere to this area right here.
Donc à partir de 1839, il prévoit avoir une correction du marché, donc vers le bas.
Yeah. So ideally, I want to see to take buys. I want to see a structure like this after the support is created.
Around here, I want around 1839.
Yeah. That's gonna be my safe play.
So you wanna create support around 1839 and buy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Donc son play safe à lui, ce qu'il pense vraiment qu'il va arriver, c'est qu'il va créer un support autour de 18,39, autour de ce qu'on a dessiné ici. Pour prendre un achat, ça va être son plan vraiment safe. J'essaie de traduire safe. It's okay. There's words that everyone understands.
So anything, because we're coming from a bullish daily candle on gold. So I'm not expecting that gold is gonna reverse all the way down at this point. Yesterday I was looking for sales because the structure was telling me that we still have some juice going to 1800. So once we clear 1823, should be nice sales going to 1800 for sometime this week.
Il dit que les mouvements vers le bas, donc les sell vont être valides en bas de 1823 jusqu'à probablement 1800. Okay? Mais avant 1823, il regarde pas vraiment pour un sell.
Yeah. So going back to 1 hour, Sasha, please.
Yep. I was just trying to take a look a second to the questions here. Combien de lots conseilles-tu pour un compte de 3000? Ok, on va passer à travers ces questions-là après. Yeah, bro, check the chart. I posted above talking about the same stuff. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, go ahead, Kerwin.
This is the area that you should be aware of to create some sort of support.
Donc ça, c'est la zone, dans le fond, qui regarde pour vraiment venir créer un support parfait.
Yeah. So basically, if we get there, that's gonna be an amazing move, you know, because basically that's basically near to where the previous 4-hour candle opened it, the previous one. So that's the deepest retest that you can get on gold, and I know it can give you that retest, but that doesn't mean it's gonna continue bearish. Only bearish is gonna be maybe later on today, but for now, for pre-New York and New York session, I'm still looking for some sort of support and look for buys once support is created.
OK. Donc, principalement, pour résumer, dans le fond, ce qu'il regarde, c'est vraiment ce qui serait vraiment parfait, là, idéal, ce serait, ça, c'est le plus bas, dans le fond, qui pourrait aller pour créer un support. N'importe quoi en bas de ça, après ça, ça devrait continuer vers le bas. Mais lui est convaincu qu'on devrait venir former un support là, sur le H4 autour d'ici plus tard dans la journée pour pousser vers le haut. Donc ça, ce serait le mouvement parfait là, pour pre-New York puis New York Open.
Yeah. So if you get go to the 4-hour again.
Ça c'était H1 by the way. Je m'excuse tout le monde. C'était sur H1. Là ça c'est H4.
Basically something like this. I know gold can easily give you that retest toward this area right here.
Donc, ce qu'il aimerait voir, c'est une chandelle qui ferme comme ça, qui vienne rejeter cette zone-là. Puis ça serait vraiment le plus bas autour de ce coin-là, comme on a discuté tantôt. Donc, pour venir former un support après ça autour de ça. So you will expect a support to be formed around here, right?
Yeah, that's the ideally that's gonna be the best thing that can happen on gold, because at that point you still have a lot of room to go to the upside, but for that you will need this 4-hour candle to reject that area, that previous 4-hour candle. So that's if you get that rejection from that previous 4-hour candle, the next candle can easily go the one that comes from 9 a.m. toward 1 p.m. can easily do something like this, and so on. So that's the idea based on higher time frames on gold.
Donc ça c'est vraiment le play pour c'est vraiment le plan pour gold sur les time frames plus élevés. Donc ça serait vraiment pour les gens là qui veulent attendre un peu plus, qui ont un petit peu plus de patience. Donc ça devrait se jouer sur le H4. Donc on devrait venir former un support autour de ça, rejeter en fait l'ouverture de la chandelle précédente, rejeter vers le haut, puis créer sur notre support, puis rider le prochain pour venir chercher le target qui est le top de ce wick là. Yeah.
So now if you go to 30 minutes.
Donc, vous voyez à quel point l'or ne bouge pas nécessairement pareil comme GG. La base reste la même, mais on voit tout de suite que ça bouge différemment, puis les confirmations que Kerwin regarde sont différentes. C'est pour ça que je dis tout le temps aux gens de focusser sur une paire, parce que oui, les mouvements sont différents. Brise cette bas-là. On va pouvoir aller remplir cette wick-là. So basically, if we break this, we're going to wick fill this?
Yeah, but at that point, if you break here and you look for sells, it's going to be risky trade. And really, I don't want to mess with gold, because I know it can give you 138, 139, 138 easily, but the problem is the pullbacks on gold.
Ouais. Le problème avec l'or, c'est que si tu brises ici, Puis tu vas venir remplir cette wick-là. Faut comprendre que c'est très, 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 très risqué parce que les pullbacks, quand ça retrace vers le haut, sont vraiment, vraiment brutales avec l'or. Ça va vite. Donc, tu pourrais aller chercher, tu sais, 139 probablement, 18,39. Mais le problème, c'est que c'est le pullback. Donc, c'est vraiment ça. Tu veux pas niaiser avec l'or pour ça. Fait que c'est pour ça que tu vas attendre un support pour aller vers le haut. Parce que si tu essayes de prendre un... Because basically, if you try to counter-trend gold, I mean, it's risky, right?
Yeah, it's gonna give you a bad headache because gold can easily pull back. It can break that area. Yeah, gold can easily break this area, and you can enter an impulsive sell somewhere here. Clearing those wicks, coming toward this area, looking for 20 pips. But that doesn't mean that gold cannot just fly all the way up before going to your target.
Ouais.
So it's gonna be really risky.
C'est ça le problème, c'est que même si
gold.
tu brises le bas ici puis tu prends un impulse, peut-être que tu peux aller target de remplir cette wick-là pour peut-être un 20 pips, ben il n'y a rien qui dit que gold, l'or va pas remonter aussi vite puis à ton target par en haut puis tu n'auras même pas eu la chance de prendre tes profits. Donc c'est ça là, qui est difficile avec l'or, c'est les retracements vers le haut ou vers le bas, dépendamment de la direction. C'est pour ça qu'il veut pas niaiser avec ça puis il va attendre d'avoir un support pour acheter.
Yeah. So that's gonna be probably the move. I will say I've been looking for buys on gold once support is created, or maybe around maybe 8:30 or 9:30, somewhere there.
So you're expecting to buy around 8:30, 9:30?
Yeah, 8:30, 9:30, somewhere there. Because basically, if I can get the last 30-minute candle pullback on gold, even though if it's gonna close bearish, a 4-hour bearish, we don't recover all this area. If we don't recover toward this area, even if I take some sort of buys around here, I know I have a lot of juice going toward this area. But ideally, I will say the last 30-minute candle from the 4-hour. It's gonna give you some sort of move, because right now it's about to start ranging in lower time frames. We can see a range.
Donc, si on regarde sur les time frames plus bas, il dit que à ce stade-ci, ça va juste commencer à ranger. Puis lui, il s'attend à être capable de prendre le buy probablement autour de 8h30 ou 9h30.
Yeah. So that's basically all about gold. Not planning to take sales. Yesterday, my bias was sales. Not anymore, because daily candle looks so promising to the upside. But since we had rejections from that area, the area that we just stopped right now, this area right here, since we have rejections based on 4 hours, so I'm expecting to, create some sort of range before the next move. So I'm not in a hurry trying to buy gold from where it is right now. I will need extra confirmations to do that.
Donc, il dit qu'il n'est pas pressé de prendre un achat sur l'or présentement parce que il veut vraiment attendre d'avoir une confirmation meilleure. Hier, son idée était de sell, mais présentement, avec la daily candle, la chandelle de la journée, il donne beaucoup d'espoir. Ben, pas d'espoir, mais elle démontre beaucoup de potentiel vers le haut. Donc, c'est pour ça qu'il va essayer de regarder pour un buy. Mais présentement, c'est trop tôt parce qu'on va juste ranger jusqu'à probablement le NY Open ou le NYC Open. Sasha, can you ask him his favorite setup in gold? Thank you. So, what's your favorite setup, Kerwin?
Well, the easiest setup on gold is when we are in momentum. Can you go to the left?
Yeah.
To the bearish area that we had.
Man, my computer moves so slow. Man, I need to buy a tower. This?
No, more to the downside, to the left.
We're on 15 minutes, that's why.
Yeah.
Coming, I'm coming.
I'm
Jesus.
waiting, no worries. Okay, yeah, you can stay there. You can stay there. So
Donc ça, c'est pour
basically,
expliquer le setup favori à Kerwin.
now go to the 5 minute in that area.
Oh my God. This?
No, way to the left.
Way to the left?
Yeah, a lot.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Hopefully before tomorrow.
Yeah.
Coming. There we go.
Okay, right there.
Right there? Okay.
There. Yeah. So basically, can you bring your mouse over this area so I can yeah. So okay, right there. Check the okay. You can leave it there. I'm gonna show you some. So basically, this area right here. For some reason, my mouse is not doing what I'm expecting it to do. In the 5 minutes, I'm sorry, you have this kind of areas, right? Move your mouse toward the last area. No, right here to the right, where the red line is. Yes. As you can see that, as you can see there, it's 245. Now move your mouse to the big candle, the big bearish candle.
Big bearish?
Yeah,
this
big
one?
bearish candle. No, the next one, the big one
this
to
one.
the left. Yes, yeah. So that candle is basically the first 15 minutes on the hourly candles, right? So when that's London, right?
Donc ça c'est dans la
candle,
session. Donc là, ça c'est dans la session de Londres. Puis ce qu'on regarde là, c'est probablement le break de cette chandelle là.
Yeah. So coming to London, you have a pre-London opening. You have resistance and you have support. Easy way to trade gold during London. The problem is I'm too lazy. I never, it's for me it's too hard to be up around 2:30 or 2 a.m.
That's crazy, man.
So, but the easiest way is to look for, when you have these areas created, to look for sells or look for buys once you start breaking those areas. But since we're coming from a bearish move from the previous session, the easiest way is to continue looking for sells, because at that point you're gonna get the move from Asian and London, basically same move continuation, and New York most of the times is gonna correct that move. So if you want to look for sells on gold, you always, if you're in a selling momentum, you're always gonna see something like this, and then it's gonna break based on the 5 minutes, gonna come back and it's gonna do. It's a clear setup on gold. It happens a lot. I have seen this a lot of times on gold, and on that perspective, you can easily get a lot of momentum on gold with London. Now continue to the right.
So I'm just gonna recap that. So principalement, ce qu'ils regardent souvent les setups avec l'or, c'est ce qu'on appelle de briser les zones, donc les ranges. Donc quand ils voient qu'il y a un mouvement vers le bas principalement, donc le trend est bearish, il va regarder pour la zone de consolidation, puis il va essayer de regarder pour un sell en brisant cette zone-là. Donc, comme on regarde ici, cette chandelle-là, elle avait brisé le range, puis c'est comme ça qu'il est rentré dans son sell. Juste que ça, c'est pendant Londres, puis il dit, écoute, moi, je suis ben trop paresseux pour trader Londres parce que c'est ben trop, c'est trop tôt le matin. So you want me to move to the left?
Yeah, to the right.
Oh, to the right.
Mm-hmm.
To the right, to the right, to the left, to the left.
Okay.
Right
Perfect. Here? Right. Yeah, right there. Right there is fine. So you had that move. So when you come to pre-New York, it's basically the same. Can you move your mouse over this area? Yeah. So with New York, it's basically the same. Anything trading above the pre-New York resistance, you're gonna get a nice move. You know.
N'importe quoi que tu trades en haut de la résistance de prix New York, tu vas avoir un très bon move. Ou en bas. So it's either anything above pre-New York resistance or anything under New York support, you're gonna get a great move. Donc principalement, c'est ça. N'importe quoi qui brise la résistance de pre-New York, tu vas avoir un excellent move vers le haut. Puis n'importe quoi qui brise le support de pre-New York, tu devrais avoir un excellent mouvement vers le bas.
Yeah. The problem with New York, but it's something that happens almost every day, New York session. And in New York, you're gonna have heavy pullbacks, you know. And the problem is if you don't manage to get a nice entry pre New York, you may suffer because it's gonna take you out. Even if let's say you enter. Right. Let's say you have this area, which is the around New York, right? If you look for some sort of buys above this area, this pullback's gonna take you up around 830, somewhere there, and it's gonna come toward support, and later on with maybe 9 before the 4-hour candle close, you're gonna get the heavy moves. So almost, I will say 75% of times during New York, you're gonna get the pullback, but the last 30-minute candle from 8:30 to 9, you're gonna get that nice move on gold, the continuation.
Généralement, comme tu sais, si tu prends une position trop tôt. So basically, if you take an entry too early in pre-New York, you said that you're gonna be kicked out by gold from the pullback, right?
Yeah.
Donc, il dit principalement, si tu prends une entrée trop tôt dans pre-New York sur l'or, il dit souvent tu vas te faire avoir sur le pullback, sur le retracement, soit vers le bas ou vers le haut de gold. Comme exemple ici, si tu as pris sur cette chandelle-là un achat sur la prochaine chandelle parce qu'il brisait, mais tu es trop tôt, regarde le pullback qu'il y a eu donc vers le bas, former support, puis après ça, sur la chandelle, généralement de 8h30 à 9h, c'est là que tu vas avoir le move. Fait que si tu regardes 8h30, 35, 40, puis c'est là que ça monte vers le haut pour le New York Open.
Yeah. And looking at GJ is doing exactly the same thing I was expecting it to do. Yeah, gold, now is pulling all the way to those highs. So that's why. But at this point, it's like I said right now, it's not worth taking any trade right now, because even though if you have a good entry, gold is gonna come back and retest that area. So this pullback on gold based on 15 minutes just break above the previous bearish 15 minutes, but that doesn't mean that this 15 minutes gonna close like that. This 15 minute, because it's basically the next 15 minutes, it's gonna give you a better idea coming to the 1 hour closing on gold. Basically, gold is rejecting that area that we talked earlier. I will say, wait for extra confirmations. Yeah, you don't have to rush anything on gold right now. If anybody here is trading gold, don't try to rush this process on gold. Use back test, pay attention what happened from, let's say, from 7 a.m. toward 10 a.m. If you do that on gold, maybe for 2 weeks, you're gonna find the move that you need to get, because paying attention to gold too many hours is gonna be a mess. I tend to analyze based on higher time frames, 4 hour, and drop down to 5 minutes, but 4 hour, then 30 minutes, and 15 and 5. In my screen, I have basically two charts of on gold open. I have the 5 minutes, and I have the 30 minutes, because the idea on 4 hour, I know my targets.
OK. So, principalement, dans le fond, ce qu'il dit, c'est de pas se presser pour prendre un achat sur le gold, sur l'or présentement, parce que, comme on a expliqué tantôt, ça sert à rien. Tu vas avoir ton mouvement autour probablement de 8h30, 9h30 autour de ça. Lui, il travaille principalement... il y a 2 charts ouverts sur son ordi. Il y a le 5 minutes et le 30 minutes. Puis son H4, ben, il sait déjà exactement c'est quoi son plan. Donc, il n'y a pas vraiment besoin. Il connaît ses targets de H4. Fait qu'il va les regarder, mais c'est principalement les 2 charts là, qu'il regarde pour l'or. Donc... But now looking at GJ, I mean, that's great, because, I mean, that's pretty awesome. If you're looking for anything on GJ right now, I mean, just wait for this candle to see if we close first above this zone. I mean, if we close above this zone, that's going to be interesting. Now we can expect like support to be formed and continue up. And if we create resistance, I mean, we'll see how it goes. But now if we create resistance around this zone, now we got more range for sells. You know.
Yeah, but so far it's looking so good for the bullish run, because this 1 hour candle's closing massive bullish.
Yeah, and look, we kind of mirrored this move on the on yesterday, actually, on the 13. Look at this, we created support here, and since then, boom, went up. So we kind of do the same thing right here. Look, same support here, same support there.
Yeah,
so kind of mirror.
It's simple, because the way I see the market is the body of the candles are telling me the real deal, and the wicks of the candles are telling me my targets. So that's the way I see the GJ and gold. So it's simple price action. It's really easy to do it. If you can see, 1 hour looks was looking better than the 15 and the 30 minutes. Sometimes you have to adjust. Yes, because this 1 hour candle. Me too. This 1 hour candle created that support that you needed to be created.
With huge rejection to the downside.
Yeah. Next candle, a doji. And it's basically a continuation. It's just a small range. So anything that breaks below this area, below this area right here is still messy, because you have this range right here. But if you wanted to get a gap filled, that's gonna be below 138, 350.
Yeah.
Other than that, still screaming buys.
Yeah. And you got that double bottom right here for people that likes, market structure. So it's right there. Boom, boom,
Yeah.
So, I mean, if we create support around here, that will be perfect for the neckline, and let's go.
Yeah.
So, I know there's people out there looking for that, so.
Yeah, the way that GJ is moving right now, it looks like it's basically a straight away. It's not probably not gonna give you a nice support. Yeah, looks like yeah. Let's see. It's moving nice, because now I hope this 1 hour candle doesn't reject that area.
Yeah, that's 139.
Yeah, because if we reject 139, then it's
that's my problem right now. It's 139 is scaring me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for people asking why those those are quarter points. I like to mark them on my chart just to remind me those areas are usually strong. They are key level. So usually, 750, 25, and flat number are usually rejection, so that's why I would prefer to see anything close above 139 for safe play. That would be good,
Yeah.
Yo, Sach, tu savais qu'il y avait un indicateur pour les quarter points?
Ah non, j'ai pas vu.
Tu checkeras dans le Discord, je les poste
Ah ouais,
comme
ok.
ça. Tu n'auras pas
Merci.
besoin de les tracer tous les matins. Là.
Ah, c'est une bonne idée, merci.
Ouais, c'est sharp.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So now it's just a waiting game, right? So
Yeah.
man, by the way, thank you for being here, man.
Oh no, man, it's a pleasure. And
Yes.
actually, I have to go in a little bit because I have to take my kids to school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you drop them every morning?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Oh.
that's why usually even though if I connect to the streaming around 6:40, 6:45, I usually come back at 7. It's not that
Yeah,
far
that's
out,
why
but
you
the
always
school is
like
nearby.
you show up not late but after us, always. That's why. That's
Yeah.
why.
Yeah.
Is the school far from your place?
No, not that far. It's about 6 minutes from here.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's less than 2 miles.
So guys in the Zoom are saying thank you. You're a legend.
Oh man, I really appreciate you bringing me to this streaming, man. For me, it's a pleasure helping people,
Yeah.
And I know you're doing an amazing work with this group. I have, problem is in your group, nobody can comment anything. But yeah, man, there's a lot of nice setups I have seen in your chat. So it's a blessing.
Thanks, man.
I'm glad you're making the right move with this, man.
Thanks. Yeah, just trying to give back, and I know there's not a lot of stuff in French. I know there's a couple of French traders out there, like, well, I'm not gonna mention them, but I know for a fact that if you're trying to ask them a question and you didn't pay their course, they're not gonna answer, right? So
yeah. And that's a beautiful thing that we're doing. Basically, we're the first group of traders trying to help others without looking at their pockets, because I receive a lot of messages that people are improving the way they trade because the stuff that we talk in the streamings. And there's a lot of Spanish people asking for streaming on Spanish, but for me that'd be really, really tough, because at that point, if I start trading, let's say 6:30 or 7 a.m. in the morning, and I try to run a streaming coming from when Raja finish around 9, at least I will need to get until 11. So for me, from 6:30 to 11 is gonna be too much. Too much. Yeah.
makes sense. Man, GG is just.
Yeah, I'm telling you that once this 4-hour candle start breaking that resistance is console, man. Yeah.
Wow. So guys, do not FOMO in. Donc, essayez pas de sauter dans le trade présentement. Do not FOMO in. Wait.
No.
Don't try to buy the top right now.
No.
Hey, Kerwin.
Yeah, man.
What's wrong with waking up at 2 a.m., man? That's all I ever do.
No, my timing, man. My timing, it's tough because basically I go to bed around 11:30. So sleeping 2 hours and a half is a no for me.
Oh, yeah. You got to have no life, Kerwin. You got to be all the way in this.
Nah.
I have to...
No, go ahead.
I have to get up early this much, like around like 2 a.m. because I have to get to work at 5. So I have to get up so I have enough time to analyze and trade.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, you know what? Before I was trying to wake up during London, but I was basically half slept. So I took like 2 or 3 dumb trades during London. Last day I was up for London. I took 2, 3 trades, and all of them basically was the same trade, but 3 positions in the same trade, and the trade went against me, even though my analysis was on point. But I said, I gotta be stupid trying to lose money during the time that I'm supposed to be sleeping. So never, not anymore. So last one was, yeah, I think it was yesterday. I took a sell on gold in London because I went to the bathroom. I came to my computer and I saw the movie, and said, "Wow, this is so clean. I will, I have to book this gold sales." So I don't know if you can see it and my camera right there.
Oh yeah, ooh, that's nice, man.
Yeah, so those were 2 positions on gold. Yeah, it was yesterday. Because after that I managed to get these other 2 positions on GJ from the sales yesterday before the 1 hour candle close that I told you guys about the 1 hour coming toward a dangerous area. And this was the last position on GJ.
Wow.
So it was a blessed day, man. Really nice for a Monday, man.
Yeah, man. Yesterday was good for me too.
Yeah, was really good. And but yeah, London for me is a no. It's too much, man. I'm too lazy for that.
Yeah, I say the good thing about like you, Sasha, Mac, and Raja is like you guys like show us that no matter what time, you can always find your own like frequency at which you trade in the 3 hours per day.
Yeah. It gives a lot of options, for people.
Especially now that I have that pip counter. I was DMing Sasha about it a while back.
Yeah.
Finally got it. I'm good to go now.
Yeah, that pip counter is nice. It's I was posting a lot. The story about that pip counter is I was posting a lot of stories with my pip count, right? And I had like, man, I cannot even count how many emails I sent. Like probably like over 100 people, okay, that I sent a pip count. And at one point, Raja's partner at Magic Key contacted me. He's like, man, you're always tagging me, so I share it. Now people is asking for that pip count. So I'm like, yeah, sure, man. Give me your email. I'll send it to you. So he's like, now I'm gonna put it in Magic Key. He's like, all right, perfect. It's gonna be easier for me. So now when people ask me, where's that pip count? It's like, you gotta order Magic Key.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, Sasha. Guys,
thank you.
Again, thank you so much for having me. I hope you guys have a great day at trading today. Trade the best you can. Do your analysis. At this time of the year, it's really hard to take trades. For me especially because I don't tend to trade during the last 2 weeks of December. But I have seen these moves so easy that's why I'm trying to get these moves, and once you see it clearly, it's an easy way to do it. Trading is simple if you look at it the right way. Try to eliminate all indicators that you have. My best advice is don't pay attention to indicators. Look for price action, clean price action, naked price action. Once you start seeing the candles forming one way, it's going to be really simple for you. And try to always trade basically at the same time. So you always look for the same move over and over again. It's simple. You can do it. It can be done. It's easy to do it. Just focus on one thing and that's it, man. Pick 1 or 2 pairs to trade and master, and that's it, man. It's gonna be fun.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
All right.
Merci, merci.
Thank you, Karen.
Merci. All right. Man, oh man. That was great. Donc, principalement, ce que Kerwin a dit en terminant, c'est que pour lui, d'habitude, il trade pas nécessairement là, les 2 dernières semaines de décembre, puis décembre, ça peut être tricky, mais dernièrement, il voit tellement des moves clean sur l'or que ça fait du sens de les prendre. Puis c'est surtout qu'il dit, si tu focuses tout le temps sur la même chose, sur les mêmes moves qui reviennent toujours, puis tu prends toujours les mêmes moves, puis si tu sais que c'est ceux-là qui gagnent, ben tu montes les chances de gagner. C'est sûr et certain. Fait que il dit de focuser principalement sur un ou 2 paires, puis 1 ou 2 setups, puis d'éliminer tous les indicateurs. OK? D'éliminer les indicateurs, puis de focuser sur le price action à 100%. So now, if we look at GJ, I mean, we closed above 139. Now, I'm really interested into buys, but it doesn't look like GJ is going to give me that retest. So I want to see right now with this kind of movement, I want to see a wick retest and break the high, and probably going to be tempted to take an entry, or I'm going to wait for support. Donc, présentement, ce que j'attends, c'est un test avec la wick, puis briser le haut, puis je pourrais prendre un impulse entry ou attendre pour un support sur 139 pour continuer vers le haut. But right now, it looks like, I mean, we're creating a high. So I want to wait. I would prefer to support to be formed and retest that high and shoot back up. Donc, ce que j'attendrais principalement pour être beaucoup plus safe, c'est d'aller vers le bas un petit peu, créer le support pour retester le haut. Parce que là, présentement, on est en train de créer un nouveau haut. Donc, un nouveau sommet. Donc, c'est pour ça que j'aimerais créer un support pour pouvoir aller retester ce sommet-là. So we'll see. So again, guys, if you FOMO in right now, I mean, just be patient. Just be patient. Slap your fingers, you know. Man, I was looking, at one point, I think 52
58.
people on Zoom, I think.
58, I saw.
52, 52, and we were like, I think 40 on YouTube. So, pretty good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the Kerwin's breakdown on gold. I'm gonna try to get him also on the 21st, because there's no stream with Raj on the 21st. So on Monday, so I'm probably gonna do one, because my last day of trading for me is gonna be the 22nd, maybe the 23rd, but mostly the 22nd. The reason why it's gonna be the last day from my Funding Talent account. For this month. So, donc, ça va être la dernière journée de mon mois pour mon compte Funding Talent, le 22. Fait que ça devrait être techniquement ma dernière journée de trading. Mais je vais faire un Zoom, un live probablement le 21, vu que Raja en fait pas le lundi. Donc, Raja en fait pas, donc on va faire un stream lundi le 21. Man, I forgot to take it was so much good information from Kerwin, I forgot to take a picture of him with us. God damn. Hopefully someone took one and tagged us. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. Someone send one. Boom. All right. Okay, we got some chart I'm gonna take a look at. Donc, alright. Donc, voyons voir ce qu'on est ici sur le vivant. Yeah. Man, H1, this H1 candle was so strong. That's crazy. What a
I
push.
thought we were going down, to be honest. And then this
What?
happened. Je pensais qu'on allait descendre, genre aller plus bas, fill the gap.
Ouais, non, peut-être juste jeudi. So I'm expecting that gap fill on Thursday. So now we kind of retesting with the wick, but technically we got clean traffic to the left side. How big is that stop? Oops. It's, yeah. But you see we are at resistance right now, so let's draw the zone. Donc présentement, on est directement sur une résistance précédente en 30 minutes. Donc encore une fois, c'est pour ça que je disais soyez patients. Voyons voir ce qui se passe. Okay, let's take a look at this trade here. Oh, wrong chart. That was from Yaksh. Sorry. So let's take a look at Zane's chart. All right, Zane. So we got, this is GA. Price came to test support but got rejected. Yeah, nice rejection. Looking for support to form after breaks and close to go long. Yes. Definitely clean traffic here. Yeah, for sure. You want to make sure you got, especially GA. GA will give you that retest. So yeah, wait for that support, and man, you're gonna have a nice trade because you're gonna get a nice trade to that round number right here. Yeah, perfect, Zane. Man, oh man, people are getting good. People are getting good at this game. Donc les gens s'en viennent bon.
Le 30 minutes live, il flip, puis il va break le high, tu vas tenter de prendre un impulse?
Probablement.
Yeah. C'est clean.
Probablement.
It's really clean on the left.
If we start rejecting this and start pushing back up, probably gonna try a small entry impulse and wait for support to get more entries.
Mm-hmm.
Donc présentement, si jamais la chandelle actuelle flip bullish, peut-être que je vais prendre une petite entrée sur le break du high, mais ça reste risqué. Fait que j'aimerais mieux avoir un support pour avoir une meilleure opportunité. I would love this candle to close kind of like this, you know, like a doji, and next one start pushing back up. J'aimerais beaucoup celle-là qui ferme comme ça, bearish doji. Puis la prochaine, quand on brise le high, pourrait être un bon indicateur. Ça serait mon play que j'aimerais beaucoup. Puis sinon, ben si on vient sur cette résistance-là ici, créer un support, ben c'est encore mieux. Ça va être vraiment the best, là, mon setup préféré. So, si on descend plus bas pour venir former un support, ce serait vraiment, vraiment parfait pour venir retester le high. So, the ideal setup for me would this candle close bearish around here. That would be the ideal. Jesus. Man.
Ideal.
Thank you. That word. Man, the Franglish is having a problem today. So, especially I have a huge headache, guys. It's crazy. It's just, it doesn't go away. So, yeah, so I want to see this bearish candle to close around here. And the next one, bullish candle, that's going to be like what? This is going to be 7:30. And we can write the 8 to 8:31, which is going to be the NY open. That would be perfect. Yeah, perfect setup. That would be my thing. Can you check my chart?
If Forge goes up, that'd be great, yeah.
What?
si t'as le support, là, comme tu dis, là, that would
Yeah.
be the best one.
Harmon, so I don't know when you sent. Can you check my chart? Sorry, I didn't took a look carefully to the YouTube chat, but send your chart and we're gonna take a look at it. Oh, YouTube reçoit un signal insuffisant pour maintenir une diffusion constante. Par conséquent, une mise en mémoire tampon sera nécessaire. Oh oh. I don't know what's going on.
Ah, je pense que tu n'auras pas le choix là, d'upgrader. Parce que là, d'après moi, là, tu as assez de mémoire tampon, c'est que tu vas avoir plus de délais sur YouTube.
Oh oh.
Ouais, tu penses à upgrader, Sacha?
Man, je connais rien là-dedans. Man, j'ai acheté un laptop à fucking 2000$, man. Ça marche pas, parce que c'est un lancer dans un moment.
Ouais, mais c'est pas fait pour ça.
Ouais, je suis d'accord. Ok, mais quelqu'un peut me bâtir une tour, quelque chose, me dire combien ça coûte, puis on va le payer.
Je te check ça tantôt, je t'en parle après.
Merci.
Une belle tour watercool là, à 4000$.
Ça dépend de ton budget, là.
Ouais, ça va être correct, là.
Oh, de quoi en masse pour streamer, là, comme tu fais, là, tu as besoin d'avoir une méga bombe.
Non, parce que c'est ça, j'ai mon laptop pour tout le reste, là, fait que...
Non,
Un laptop, c'est pas écœurant pour streamer, là.
ben
Ouais,
non,
mais honnêtement, je
c'est ça.
m'attendais pas à streamer, tu sais, quand je l'ai
Non,
acheté.
c'est sûr.
Je voulais juste un laptop performant puis pas avoir de trouble, puis tout le monde m'avait dit, man, si tu veux l'équivalent d'un Mac en PC, ben achète-toi le Surface Laptop 3, tu sais. Fait que j'ai fait comme, ok.
2000$?
Bah, pas loin, là, ouais.
Tant que c'est pas un Mac, you're good.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Ben, je checkais de quoi, là. Si tu veux de quoi rapide, là, je t'ai trouvé de quoi, je t'en parle tantôt.
Ok.
Et Steve, c'est la plug pour les tours? Damn.
Man, guys,
une Marek.
we're gonna say thank you to Steve, because Steve came to my house with mask, obviously, and he helped me fix my OBS to be able to stream today. But now I'm just realizing that my computer's too slow, so he's gonna build me a tower. So.
Il est allé chez toi hier?
Mm-hmm.
Ouais.
Oh man! Oh shit!
J'ai vu le setup.
T'as vu Master Sacha hier?
Wet mask.
Holy shit, GJ just broke la
Whoa,
high.
what's going on with GJ? Alright, so now I'm gonna be looking at probably grabbing a small entry if we break that high. We'll see. Donc je vais peut-être prendre une entrée si on brise le sommet précédent.
Damn, c'est un gros.
So my stop will be under that current wick. Donc mon stop serait en bas de la wick actuelle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, il y a quelqu'un qui cille. Je pense que c'est Marc. Marc, je pense que tu cilles.
Ouais?
Ouais.
Je suis back au signal.
Ouais,
Vraiment,
t'es
mon
back
portable
aux
a pas eu
oiseaux.
COVID.
Ouais.
Oh, Jimmy vient de pull up la webcam, man.
Oh oh.
Proper trader.
Oh oh. On va le pin, on va descendre l'autre. Boom.
Oh shit.
Armin, you said link above, but I don't see your link.
15 minutes about to close.
Nice hat, Steve.
Oh, Steve is back. Alright, so now it's 7:15. And people is asking for 15 minutes. I don't really look at 15 minutes. For me, it's a weak confirmation, so I prefer to stay on 30 minutes. But sometime I will take a look at 15 minutes to place a stop lower. Donc, c'est la seule façon que je regarde 15 minutes, c'est des fois pour mettre un stop plus bas. Ou si JJ va trend vraiment, vraiment hard, puis j'ai de la misère à prendre une entrée, je vais essayer de le squeezer sur le 15 minutes. Mais ça va être plus rare. En fait, ça doit faire des semaines que j'ai pas pris une entrée sur 15 minutes.
Et puis, check la profitabilité aussi.
Ah ouais, c'est... Since I moved to the 30 minute, man, my win ratio is so much higher.
Moi non plus, 15 minutes, je ne trust plus.
Ben oui, tabarnak qui peut être dans le 5 minutes.
Non, mais attends, 15 minutes, je te garantis, c'est l'entre-deux qui tue tout le monde.
Ah ouais.
Parce que tu peux pas te fier à ça pour tes retests, puis tu peux pas te fier à ça pour tes breakouts, fait que...
Ouais, non, 15 minutes, c'est
tu le jettes.
réel.
Sharp. Ouais, un beau support sur 139, man, ça serait golden setup.
15%, Mark?
Yep. 14.
Ça m'étonne qu'on soit pas venu fill le gap.
Ouais.
Mais...
Ça va être jeudi, d'après moi.
Ouais.
C'est tellement obvious que quand ça va y aller en crise.
Espèce là, je me demande si d'ici la fin de l'année, il n'y aurait pas un potentiel de venir taper des plus hauts. Ça m'intrigue tout ça, là, ce gap-là. Genre que ça allait gapper autant que ça dans une descente. Je sais pas, y a-tu une news? Y a-tu de.
Ah,
oui,
c'est sûr que c'est le
Ouais,
Brexit. Ouais, parce que.
31 décembre, là.
Ça veut monter, on dirait. Là.
Ouais.
Et le support, il se fait respecter à côté. Là. Au 138-300. Il a même pas essayé de breakout, ça a juste comme non, nous autres on veut monter.
Il y a de l'optimisme.
Sasha, can you plot your entry on the chart? Yes, I will when I enter. But I'm not in a trade now, so I didn't took any trades so far. Donc j'ai pas pris d'entrée encore, donc c'est pour ça que vous voyez pas mon entrée sur le chart. Man, YouTube is quiet.
Le goulag, il est tout chez Rajas pour ça.
Yeah, c'est ça. Yeah, I saw at 6:30, I saw people like leaving the stream and, going, and now people came back. So.
Ils sont allés voir ce que Rajay avait à dire sur venir ici.
Yeah. Come on, man.
Pas besoin, man.
Stay with the Frenchie, come on.
Legit, on en a plus de besoin. Là.
Oh, for real, non?
Moi, je me lève le matin et j'ouvre même pas la stream. Je fais juste chill avec moi tout seul.
Yeah, parce que de toute façon, juste hier encore, je me suis fait trap comme un noob. Là.
Yeah.
J'avais mon setup sur GU que je me disais, OK, il y a de quoi pour vendre. Là, tout le monde sur le stream, puis vous autres, vous étiez sur le breakout. J'ai genre fait, ah, damn, OK. Je le prends, man, je me fais trap direct.
Surprise.
C'est pas grave.
Maintenant, il faut t'en redonner un peu au market, là.
Ouais, oh. Oui. Sinon, ils vont venir me chercher dans la course.
On en redonne.
C'est la charité, là.
Ouais.
C'est de la guignolée.
Ouais, c'est ça. Oh, mon petit alerte là est parti de. Okay, c'était trop slow, mais mon tampon, la petite bande jaune, avait un avertissement, là, elle est parti. Je sais pas ce qui va de mieux. Peut-être ma connexion qui est rushée aussi.
C'est peut-être ton PC qui va exploser.
Aussi. Ma connexion internet, je check ça.
15 minutes will flip.
Phil, il y a du faux mot, là. Il est dans.
Ouais, man,
Ah ouais, man, Phil, t'as l'air tout. Phil, il check ça comme OK. Guys, relax. Oussa. Which movie is that? That's it's Bad Boys.
Bad Boys, yeah.
Yeah, Bad Boys. Oussa. That
Amazing
was
movie.
forever.
Amazing.
Oh, looks like yeah. And we're pushing back up. Man, the delay is huge on YouTube right now. It's even worse than it was. God damn.
Check bien
Là, ça me dit excellente connexion en plus.
Oh shit.
C'est parce qu'il tombe en mémoire tampon. C'est pour ça ton délai.
Mais là, ça me dit excellente connexion.
Ouais, mais il coupera pas le temps. Si le temps est reculé, là, il ne ravancera pas, il va garder le même délai.
Pas fou ce que tu dis.
Excellente connexion, c'est parce que t'es 2 minutes en retard.
Ouais, c'est ça. Pas fou ce que tu dis. Pas fou. J'aime ça comment tu penses. T'as une belle attitude, Steve. T'as une belle attitude. Ouais, c'est ça. God, yes. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well.
En tout cas, on est à 1139.
5h30, c'était, comment dire, c'était trop tôt pour commencer à parler, puis...
Ah, c'est vrai, hein?
Man, j'étais pas... mon cerveau était pas on, là. J'essayais de traduire, puis j'étais pas dedans. J'ai un peu fail, je m'excuse pour la traduction. D'habitude, je suis meilleur que ça, mais là... j'avais de la misère.
Ouais, ben...
Oui, il y a comme... Vas-y.
Can you check gold? Yes. We can take a look.
Il y a tout le temps à 30 minutes le matin. Genre là, vous, je pense, vous tradez à 5,5? Non, 5.
Ouais. Ben, moi, je suis sur le chart à 5. Là.
Oh, ok. Dans ça, moi, j'arrive à 6, mais je me lève à 5,5. Puis j'essaie de prendre un 30 minutes pour activer mon corps, genre. Je vais faire un petit training bien quick. Je prends une douche frette, puis j'arrive sur le chart. Parce que quand que je me levais avant, puis que j'arrivais direct sur le chart, shit, le FOMO, il était all-in. Genre, je sais pas comment dire ça, là, mais genre, je voulais finir ma journée au plus crisse, on dirait, parce que c'est sûr, parce que je m'avais levé pour ça, puis j'avais hâte que le move se passe, genre.
Ah ouais.
Là, à cette heure que je me lève pour ma routine, genre, je prends plus le goût à me lever à cause de ma routine, genre.
Nice.
À cette heure.
So if you're looking at gold right now, I mean, so you gotta wait. You gotta wait to break those zones, like we discussed with Kerwin earlier. So you gotta wait, man. So
What's the target? The week?
Yep. This.
Oh, okay.
You'll be able to fill those wicks.
Damn.
So
If this breaks, man, ça part, là.
if this shit breaks, yeah. And Kerwin was saying around like 8:30, 9:30, but it might happen around like 8.
Moi, ce gars-là, j'ai pensé à faire la radio, man. Sa voix est tellement, genre...
À vous, hein?
Genre... calmante, là, genre...
SMI trading.
Hello from Cali. Hello. Hello, hello. All right. So, I'm gonna buy a new computer to make sure that the stream is fluid. So that's gonna be the new thing for 2021, I guess.
Quand tu y penses, là, Raja, il y a genre, il y a un portable pour son MT4, puis il y a le reste pour genre stream.
Ah, c'est peut-être ça que je vais faire.
Pas le choix. Pas pour retourner ton Surface au magasin.
Non, c'est ça. Ça me tourne bien mal. Tu sais. Elle l'aime bien, par exemple. On va essayer de zoomer ça ici. Better.
Genre, à job, j'ai win une tablette, puis je me demandais si ça se tradait, mettons, avec un pencil. Je sais pas, j'en vois plein de faire ça, là, ces temps-ci, là. Je dis pas qu'ils sont rentables. Je dis pas qu'ils sont rentables, mais...
Non, mais trader
semble...
avec le pencil, je sais pas. Dessiner avec le pencil, ok. Mais...
Ouais, non, mais pas trader, mais tu sais, mettons, checker petit setup, take it easy, là.
Ben, TradingView sur iPad, il est nice, là.
Ouais, ben c'est ça, je vois bien des gens. Mais de toute façon, je l'ai gagné à la tablette, fait que why not? Mais toi, c'est quoi, t'as un Surface?
Le laptop, pas la tablette.
Non, je sais bien, mais si tu tactile, si tu genre.
Ouais.
Ouais, c'est ça, ok.
Je l'utilise pas vraiment, pour être honnête, là.
Non, mais j'avais un ordi portable tactile, mais vu qu'il se repliait pas en 360 degrés, j'étais jamais capable de l'utiliser.
Ah, c'est ça. So looking at this now, this got 4 minutes left in that candle. Looks like we retested that 139 flat number in that resistance. Look, now we're starting to push back up, so we'll see. But it's a smaller candle also, so we'll see. If we break the high, yes. If not, we're just gonna wait for better confirmation.
Yep. Patience.
You gotta be patient. Bonjour tout le monde, je viens de vous connaître. Merci à vous pour tout ce que vous faites. Ça fait plaisir, Michael. Ça fait plaisir.
Man, 2 heures qu'on attend.
2 hours wait, yes. Donc, si vous avez aimé les explications de Kerwin sur Gold, mettez un petit like sur le stream, ça serait parfait. So, guys, if you liked Kerwin's explanation on Gold, go give a like to the stream, that'll be great.
Comment qu'on like sur Zoom?
Faut que tu ailles sur YouTube et tu ailles le liker. Ah ouais, fais pas ton cheap. Dépense un like, là.
Ouais, je vais aller liker ça. Mark the stat, just like your post.
Est-ce que vous attendez pour un breakout du...
Soit ça, soit le support, là.
Parce qu'il y a à peu près juste 10 pips à aller chercher.
Non, je sais. C'est pour ça que j'aimerais mieux un support, pour être honnête, là. Plus bas.
Quand un sketch, sauf que...
J'aimerais bien un support aussi, mais on dirait que ça n'arrivera pas.
Mais j'ai l'impression que cette zone-là peut venir se faire feel parce que t'as vu la wick ici qui est venue comme retest pour redescendre, mais qui a laissé tout cet espace-là vide. Puis souvent, le marché n'aime pas ça, laisser des endroits vides, mais bon.
No, technically we should at least fill this wick here, and we got this clean candle to the upside, so it's clean traffic here, right? So. Oh, here, Armin's chart. So let's take a look at it. Raven. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's Armin. Man, you asked me to check your chart, and that's the only thing you got? Took short to retest the low after this 30-minute bearish produce. Where did I go wrong?
Yeah, 500. Super close to 500 level.
Yeah. QP rejection at 138, 500. And the thing, what did I go wrong is there's no resistance, no support. So, I mean, you gotta understand that this is a zone here. This rectangle, hold on, wait a minute. Let me do this. So where's that? So, I mean, this is a zone, right? So you gotta get out of this zone, either up or down. And you got this 138,500 level, which is super strong key level. So I mean, you took the sell right in the face of that. So that's why. So that's the mistake. And yeah. And this candle never broke the previous low either. So you want an extra confirmation, especially if you're going back up.
Il faut pas non plus que les dessins ne servent à rien. S'il y a une résistance... Ah, shit, t'as quitté le...
Ouais,
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, man.
All right.
Oh,
Come
man.
on, GJ, give us something.
Mais,
You're welcome, Armin.
Jimmy, check donc le 5 minutes sur GG, puis qu'est-ce que t'en penses? Juste là que t'es allé, puis c'est pas super beau, là.
Non.
T'es sérieux? Tu veux vraiment que je regarde le 5 minutes?
Ouais, ça consolide live en 5
That's
minutes. Dirty
Yeah,
talk.
5 minutes is horrible.
Rangy.
5 minutes. And 15 minutes, horrible also.
Faut que ça soit des quick candles, genre. En tout cas, c'est ça que je check, là.
High, so.
Jimmy aime ça les petites vites.
Ouais.
Yeah!
So
Petite vite payante.
yeah. So now this 30-minute candle close, very small body candle, so looks like the buys is getting, tired. Exhausted, thank you. So we'll see. Yeah.
It's looking like it.
Yeah, that's exactly what you called earlier. If we can hit resistance around this, not resistance, sorry, but if you can create support around this resistance, that will be perfect. That will be the perfect setup. But again, we gotta be patient. Tell him to shut up. Who's that? Who's that? Boom, boom, boom.
On va l'avoir travaillé, ce setup-là. Damn.
Man, this morning is long. All right.
Check bien ça, on va juste break le high puis dip.
Yeah.
Dip en haut. Rip.
Oh, il y a le micro de quelqu'un qui est vraiment de la mort.
Pas moi.
Oh shit.
Ça a-tu spiké d'une shot, genre?
Ouais. Sur mon MT4, on n'a pas break le high, mais sur TradingView, on l'a break.
Ouais, c'est ça, je regardais. Mais moi, sur mon MT4, on l'a brisé. Hein.
Ah ouais?
On a brisé le previous high du 15 minutes, mais pas le previous high du deuxième 15 minutes.
Ouais.
Je trouverais ça risky comme buy.
Ouais.
No, I'm not comfortable buying this, to be honest.
Non.
On voit l'exhaustion en plus. Fait que...
Buy the top.
It's a tough one.
And you know what? Buying the top is risky, and if it goes, it goes. At this point, I mean.
On va laisser tous les petits pressés rentrer, se faire stop, et après ça, on va rentrer après.
I'm willing to see a correction before the up. Parce que live, regardez comment ça a monté après le fake breakout. Genre. Zoom!
If we break this high, look at H1. Let me take a look at H1.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we break H1's high and we retested this zone based on H1, it makes sense. H1 is so much cleaner. Man, look at that double bottom. Boom! God damn. Oh, Ellie sent a chart. Ellie. So Ellie, close above resistance. Yes, this is the 30 minute. Take an impulse buy when it break the wick. Yeah, try to buy the high, man, without that retest. So you gotta wait for that retest.
That's yesterday, though.
Yep.
Right? Yeah.
Yep. Didn't pay attention of this 15 minute. I don't look at 15 original. Yeah. It is what it is. But yes, you try to buy the high. So don't do that. And if you're trying to buy the high, wait for that retest. Like this, we got that retest to the downside on the H1. So now if we break this high, yes, especially with the volume that we're having right now, I mean, but again, if you're taking this impulse buy, man, lower your risk because this is risky. This is risky. It can retrace down and come back down, create support around here and push back up. So remember that. Donc, gardez ça en tête. Si vous prenez une entrée, baissez votre risque. Très important. Parce que c'est très risqué. Ça se pourrait que ce trade-là reverse de l'autre côté puis qu'on vienne créer un support autour d'ici pour pousser vers le haut par après. Donc, très important. Si vous prenez un impulse, baissez votre risque.
Let's go, boy.
So, I took a small entry.
9 pips stop.
À peu près. Attends un peu, je l'avais mis en bas de précédent. Ouais, à peu près.
Ah, le stop, il est beau par contre. Le stop, il est très beau.
Mon stop, il est où? Attends un peu, mon stop, il est... Je l'ai mis en bas de la précédente. En bas de la précédente 30. Fait que j'étais comme 14.
14, ouais.
GU breakout aussi, ça va chercher une zone de liquidité, GG devrait suivre, puis DXK, ça fait juste dropper. Le trade, il est bon.
Based on H1, it makes sense. I mean, we'll see. So basically, one position.
Oh, nice.
Here we go.
By the way, I didn't take it, but I wish you the fucking best.
Should be good. I took only one position so far because it was risky. And this one I'm aiming like 300 at least. So basically probably gonna put my partials at 300 and put auto BE at 10 pips. I'll try that. Let's try. So we're gonna do auto BE at 10 pips. So 10 pips. So auto BE there, and we're gonna put partials. Partials at, you know what, we're gonna put partials at 250. Yeah, we're gonna put partials at 250, so that's gonna be 12.7 pips. So yeah.
Oh, il a pris une autre entrée.
Yep, I took a second entry, and that would be it for this one. I'm not gonna take more entries.
Jeez, man.
Nah, I'm not in this. Moi, je suis pas là-dedans.
Because it's risky business.
As hell.
Yeah, it can work, but it's risky. You got
it
king
is.
space on the left, so
To be honest, I would love to see support being formed around here. That would be the best.
Yeah.
yeah.
À midi et demi, il devrait avoir un bon setup.
And you know what? I'm gonna move my
God
stuff.
damn.
Gonna move my stuff.
Yeah, under the last 30 minutes, the current one.
Because I don't want to risk more.
What's risky
Man,
right
qui
now?
c'est qui paye sur son MT4 à chaque 2 minutes?
No, I'm just moving my stop. Relax,
Ok.
guys.
J'étais genre, man, il y a quelqu'un qui overtrade là.
No, I'm just moving my stop under this current candle.
Yeah.
I don't want to risk more because it's risky.
Parce qu'en ce
Especially
moment,
that if this candle break his own low, we're coming under this zone again. So yeah. So
Je rencontre les in-laws aujourd'hui. Stressé un peu.
les quoi?
My quarantine is over. Meeting my girlfriend's parents.
Ooh, that's
La,
risky
la, 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 la.
business.
C'est mieux de pogner un bon win aujourd'hui.
That's risky too, huh?
what's up? I'm a currency trader.
Risky setup.
Risky setup.
Full margin on that.
I think Phil put the full margin on his girlfriend.
Ouais. C'est quoi, c'est la première fois que t'es meet?
Mais c'est parce que sa mère est avait Newfoundland puis son père est allemand. So.
Oh!
Ils sont pas à la porte.
Tu sais qu'est-ce qu'ils font d'habitude les Allemands aux gens?
Non.
Ils leur arrachent les doigts un après l'autre, man. Moi, à ta place, me tiendrais
Demain,
tranquille.
Phil, il va dire, hey, salut les gars.
Sans trader avec tes pieds tout de suite.
D'après moi, sors-toi pas trop la zwin parce que d'après moi, il va te la chopper, man.
Il va penser que c'est son petit doigt.
Il va faire ça, man. Il va faire.
Hey, tu nous en redonneras des nouvelles, man. Tu prendras un selfie avec.
Ouais, c'est bon, ça.
Ouais, pas game.
Pas game d'aller flexer ton beau-père, man.
Flex le beau-père with the pack. Ouais.
Wow.
Alright, so now we're just waiting to see. But technically, we broke that wick also to the left side. So after that, we should have clean traffic to 250, you know. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, GJ.
Le 1 hour est clean though, so.
Armin, a bad day. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look, Armin. Armin, what? What happened here? So again, you don't have zones. You took a sell. Took a sell here. So here there's a zone. So I mean, dude, you gotta draw your zone. I mean, you cannot just send a chart like this. It just like doesn't make sense. You gotta draw your zone, man. So I mean, this doesn't tell me anything, you know. But technically, I mean, you got a zone like this, you got a zone like this, and you took entry when it broke, I guess. But again, that's GJ 30 minutes. When is that? When this is London, I guess. So, and you wick, yeah. Because the thing is, I don't know what time was that, but trade is running good right now. Trade is running at 7. Oh no, sorry, 4 pips.
2 pips.
4.
4 pips.
4 pips. So yeah, so just wait, man. Guys, if you're losing on impulse, stop using impulse entry, guys. Focus on candle to close, create resistance. So you want this candle coming here, coming back up, create resistance, and you ride the next one. If you would have wait for that, man, you got a great win right there. So wait for that retest. Wait for that retest. It's gonna help you, man. So.
And je me rappelle au début, quand j'ai commencé, genre au mois d'avril avec Raja, man, j'avais pris 6 losses de suite en SRD Impulse, man. C'était.
Yeah, impulse trading
times.
can destroy your account if you don't
Yep.
used to it. You know, you gotta get used to it. You gotta practice. You gotta backtest impulse. You know, but if you're trying to do impulse entries off the bat, man. I'm telling you, I did the same thing at first, and when I started Raja, man, it destroyed my account. Not destroyed completely, but I went super low.
Yep.
Did I told you the story about my funding account this month?
Nope.
God damn! At the beginning of the month, I'm sure I did that. Anyways, so what I did is I kind of uninstall Magic Key, reinstall Magic Key, and I completely forgot to change my settings. So I'm entering a trade, and I'm entering trade, and I'm entering more position. So I think it was like 5 position, but I only look at the pip count, right? So I'm like, all right. So start reversing, and it comes back up. So now it's in profit. I'm like, oh man, I gotta go take a crap. You know, I need to go to the bathroom bad. So I run to the bathroom. I come back. Brexit news happened. Destroyed my stop loss. And I look like I think it was -7 or 8,000. I was like, what? I was like, how come? You know, it's just like, I was flipping, dude. I was flipping. And I realized it was 10 lots instead of 5 lots.
Position. Shit.
Yeah, man. So it kind of destroyed my account. So since 2 weeks, all the wins, it was just to come back, break even. So now I'm finally break even. I'm finally like at 101 right now. So I got 2 weeks. I got until next Tuesday to make money. So.
Damn.
Oh, GG's pushing hard.
Yeah, I'm at 6-7 pips now. So looking good.
So Sasha.
Yep.
The lesson is don't take a crap when you trade.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, c'est une crotte qui a coûté cher, ça.
Ah ouais, pas pire, man. Je te dirais que...
Ah yo, tu pourras flexer sur IG. Moi, je prends des crottes à 7K,
Hey.
man.
J'étais pas fier, mettons, là, tu sais.
Aïe, aïe.
Achète-toi des couches.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Oh,
No, GG's looking good, man. We should tap that 250.
Yep.
Ben, pour revenir aux impulses, parce que je pense qu'il faut être un pro risk manager avant de comme lancer. Parce que c'est ça qui va te faire gagner. Ton risk reward il est pas assez gros pour que tu te permettes des stop loss, des full stop loss.
Ouais.
Puis au début, quand je commençais à trader avec Raja, ben moi aussi, c'est exactement ça qui nous est tout arrivé. C'est qu'on se faisait taper des full stop loss, puis que quand on gagnait même pas ça. Fait que il faut devenir pro risk manager avant de comme penser à tout le temps impulse. Parce que c'est ça qui est le plus obvious, les impulses. C'est ça qui se voit le plus facilement. Fait que c'est ça qu'on a plus le goût de prendre quick avant de se concentrer sur notre
Puis connaître le timing aussi.
mindset. Ouais, aussi. Ouais, c'est ça, parce que ton impulse, il ne marchera pas pareil à 8 heures qu'à, je sais pas, 5 heures. Ouais, exact. Ton volume ne sera pas le même.
Non, c'est sûr.
Ouais, le QP 250 qui est parfaitement placé. Là.
Ouais.
C'est fou quand tu y penses.
Ah, c'est malade, là. Tu sais, check le 500. Check ça, le 500, comment c'est respecté, man. Check ça, man. Direct, c'est lignes. Tu sais, c'est fou, là.
Ah, mais les trendlines là-dedans sont où, Colin?
Yeah, right.
Well.
Fiverr account, is this live? It says live, but I know that on YouTube right now, I'm having a problem with my setups. Oh, I think it's freezing right now on. Yeah, I think we have a delay. We got a pretty good delay on YouTube right now, so sorry about that. I'm gonna have a new computer soon, so I guess it's gonna be better. But as right now, it looks like it's lagging on YouTube. But it's live, minus a couple minutes, I guess. So. Come on, this trade is running at 6 pips. Come on,
Pas si pire
Dave.
que ça, t'as 17 secondes avec YouTube.
J'ai 17 secondes. Not so bad. 17 seconds is not so bad. Not so bad.
Mais ça te crée un besoin de t'acheter une nouvelle ordi quand même.
Ouais, c'est clair. C'est clair.
Mais ça tombe bien, c'est la semaine prochaine.
God damn. Ouais, je vais
J'espère que ta blonde elle écoute le stream.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ah, chérie.
T'as-tu un auto-billet, Satch?
Ouais, j'ai un taux billet à 10.
Ok. Ouais.
J'ai un taux billet à 10, puis mon power shot est à 12.7. En fait, je vais le mettre à 12 flush. Là.
Ouais. Mais tu sais, ces deux pipes-là, ça fait quand même une belle différence dans ton gain. Là.
Ouais, puis.
C'est genre 20% de plus.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ça paraît. Surtout que là, j'ai juste 2 positions, ça. And we should tap 250, to be honest. I mean, even if we start coming back down to create support, we should tap 250. We should reject 250 and after that create support and come back up. Donc, je pense sincèrement qu'on devrait taper 250, après ça descendre vers le bas, créer un support puis pousser vers le haut. That's what I think. I don't like the fact that it's coming back to my entry right now. Oh. Whoa! What the hell? It went to my entry and went like... Whoa! Okay,
Man,
I don't
faudrait
like
watcher le
this.
calendar, voir s'il va y avoir des Brexit news, parce que, man...
I don't like this right now. It is scary. Oh, goddamn, my vintage froze.
Volatility is coming.
I just want to close. I just want to close right now.
Comment ça froze tout le temps?
That shit happens always with Vantage. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know why it's going
It's
on.
freezing. Yeah.
Man, I just want to close my trade right now. Let me close. God damn.
It's gonna be a full stop, I guess.
Yeah, I guess I
Yeah,
cannot.
we have Johnson who speak for no deal. He can't most inspected.
Man. Vantage is frozen. I cannot close my
Yeah, he
trade.
said that Johnson restated to the cabinet that the no trade deal was the most likely outcome.
Oh, that's not good.
No,
That's not
that's
good.
not good at all.
Let me close my trade.
Let's fill the gap.
Come on. Oh, that sucks, man. Come on.
Ah, tu pourrais quasiment te faire refund par Vintage, là. Genre, c'est leur esti de problème.
Oh, man.
On s'en va fill le gap sur un candle.
T'inquiète. Short the top.
Ah, mais tiens, la zone que je m'étais tracée ici, là,
I just want to close.
Ouais.
c'était ça que je surveillais, mon gars, là. Parce que tu viens fil en haut, tu viens fil en bas, et voilà. T'as fait, eux, ils ont fait leur journée partout.
Mais en même temps, tu sais, le top de la résistance était ici parce qu'on avait une clean candle, fait qu'on aurait pu facilement push plus haut, là.
On aurait pu.
Mais on était pas mal au top avec du
Well, but I guess it's not opening. My vintage is not opening anymore.
No,
It's not even opening on your phone.
That's a good idea.
Coming to your stop loss.
Probably it stopped.
Nah,
for
it
sure.
already stopped them on.
Yeah, it stopped for sure. Anyways.
Man, it missed my target like below 1 pip, man.
Again?
J'espère que
Yes,
t'étais pas
man. My target was like 183, but the spread got me, you know.
Oh.
Yes, man. It went to 183 on TradingView. The spread got me.
Oh, that sucks, man.
EJ, Sasha, on EJ, it's dropping like 30 pip, 20 pip.
Hold on, wait a second. What did you say, Zane?
EJ. I was trying to look for a sell on EJ, and it just, if you see.
Yeah, okay, give me 1 sec.
EJ.
Give me 1 sec. I'm just trying to get back my vintage right now.
Gonna go EG is dipping
I was
down.
looking for resistance to form, and I can short it down.
Yeah.
It dropped.
EJ.
I think all the yen pairs are getting stronger right now.
Gold.
Because of the safe
Yeah,
haven.
because there's no trade deal, so all the yen's gonna get strong.
Yeah, but they delayed the date, right?
Ooh,
Everything
it's
was delayed
nothing.
for next year.
What?
They delayed everything, right? Like the Brexit?
Yeah, thank you for vintage for finally opening up. 5 minutes after my stop got stopped, you know.
Au moins ton stop il est activé, imagine
Yeah,
ton stop
at
il est
least
pas
the
là.
stop got activated. Oh,
Jesus. But yeah, EJ is going down nicely. God damn.
C'est comme là, guys,
Straight to one.
ceux qui ont pris l'entry, sauf Sacha. Genre, non, mais parce que là, ça a fait chier à cause de ton vintage, mais comme là, il fallait cut 50% quand ça avait fait sans malade. C'est ça, là.
Je voulais bien.
La game
Ça te sauve le
d'impulse.
cul pour 2 autres trades, là.
Exact.
So,
You know what's
yeah.
good.
So anyways, this got stopped because I was not able to close it. But the idea was, when it came back to my entry, I was saying I don't like it. I was trying to close 50%, and I was not able because it was frozen. So, but the idea was that to close.
Par contre, si on forme support ici, ça commence à être intéressant, là.
Yes, that would be the perfect setup that we were talking about for the past hour or so. So that will be the perfect setup. Coming back down here, create support, boom, push back up.
Mais d'habitude, tu rentres avec 4 positions, Satch?
Probablement 5.
Oh, tabarnak.
Dépendamment
fait
du
que là,
stop. Mais ça dépend du stop. Ça dépend du stop.
Non, c'est ça, mais là, tu as comme risqué
Juste 2.
la moitié. C'est ça, ok.
Ouais.
Bon, that's cool. That's okay.
J'ai risqué à peine 1%.
No, that's okay, that's perfect.
Yeah, so my risk was lower because it was risky. So that left me rooms to take another trade, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's a bummer.
Yeah, especially when you try to close. God damn. Cédric, je suis content d'avoir trouvé des traders français. Hey, ça fait plaisir. Ça fait plaisir, Cédric. Donc, on fait ce stream-là à tous les mardis et jeudis. Généralement, à compter de 6h30. Cette semaine, je fais un test à 5h30 AM, heure de l'Est. Mais je trouve ça de bonne heure, 5h30, pour commencer à parler. Fait que peut-être
Il faudra
qu'on
que
va
tu te lèves
revenir
à 5
ça.
heures pour stream à 5h30.
Ouais, c'est... Ben, je me lève à 5 pour streamer à 5. Ouais. Fait que... je sais pas. Mais cette semaine, jeudi, ça va être 5h30 aussi. On va faire un test.
Et nous, après ça, c'est le temps des fêtes. Fait que là, on va gros backtest à tous les jours. Garder la routine.
Yeah. Pas à tous les jours, mais... No, during Christmas time, I'm gonna be recording.
Yeah, for your
the video for the
course.
course.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cédric, ici en Belgique, il est 14h. Bon début d'après-midi.
Alright, man.
Bon début d'après-midi. Ici, il est 8h AM. Donc, oui. Donc, bonjour la Belgique.
Man, je me rappelle quand j'étais en France, j'écoutais Monty, puis après ça, j'écoutais Raja, là, c'était sick. En plein après-midi avec une coupe de vin.
Je suis déçu parce que Monty a pas partagé le. Je l'avais tagué dedans, puis il l'a pas partagé.
Il l'a peut-être pas vu. C'est rendu l'après-midi pour lui, là, il est peut-être off the charts.
Ah, je viens de voir ton message, Cédric. Moi, je viens de découvrir votre Insta via Daniel Savage.
Ouh!
Oh!
Super. Ben, merci beaucoup, Cédric.
Big Dan!
Non, je suis vraiment content que Daniel l'a partagé. Je l'ai envoyé à Daniel. Daniel l'a partagé. Je l'ai envoyé à Kerwin. L'a partagé. Stéphanos aussi, je pense. Charlene. La plupart des gens l'ont partagé. Fait que j'étais vraiment content parce que le but, c'est d'aider des traders francophones et aussi anglophones, là, les deux. Mais c'est juste que je trouve qu'il n'y a pas beaucoup de choses en français. Donc, c'est pour donner un coup de main. So, basically... hold on. Yeah, I sent that story. I tagged a couple people, and I was really happy that Daniel actually shared it. Charlene, Stephanos, Kerwin, many people shared it. So it's to help, of course, French traders because there's not much stuff in French, and also English people also. Sorry.
Oh, COVID.
Oh, don't say that.
Les guys, moi je m'en vais au bureau, je vais m'arranger à 8h30 pour trigger au bureau avec une position beaucoup trop grosse pour mon compte. Puis on se reparle. Là, on est quoi? On est mardi?
La semaine va être longue?
Ouais, c'est ça. On est mardi. Fait que, moi je lis pour le bureau, puis on se reparle jeudi, guys.
Ouais, ciao.
Ok, guys, sir.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Le mercredi, t'es off? T'as-tu?
Hein?
Le mercredi, t'es off?
Non.
Ben, c'est mardi, jeudi ou c'est mardi?
Ah ouais, excuse, tu parles le stream. Le stream, c'est mardi, jeudi.
Ok.
Puis le lundi, mercredi, vendredi, je suis sur le stream à Raja.
Non, j'ai pas fermé là. Ouais, là.
C'était bizarre, ça. Okay, so basically this 30-minute candle closed bearish, right? So now we're just waiting for this candle to create confirmed support, and that would be amazing. If we start breaking the low of this, we might retrace back down into this zone, which I don't really like, but...
Je vais lancer mes streams le mercredi. Venez greeder avec Jimmy.
Venez greeder avec Jimmy. Well, you see, this is the first 4 minutes of this 30-minute candle. Now we're rejecting the top. So if this candle start breaking the low, if people wants to take sells, I think that can work, if we start breaking the low, but it's risky business again. It's an impulse, especially counter trend, right? Because we're on a bullish trend right now. So you got to put a lot of hope in that news, in that bad news that just came in. And you got 750 right here. So personally, I will not take the sell. I don't think it's safe. I prefer to wait for that support to be formed. And if I miss the move, you know what? I miss the move. I don't care. Donc, le principal pour l'instant, s'il y a des gens qui essaient de prendre un sell, c'est possible de pouvoir prendre un sell après que cette wick-là a testé la zone précédente puis qu'elle commence à briser le low précédent. Les probabilités sont que le prix devrait continuer à descendre probablement jusqu'à 7,50. Personnellement, je ne trouve pas que c'est un trade qui est safe parce qu'on va aller contre la tendance. Et on a la zone 750 qui est ce qu'on appelle un QP, quarter point. Donc, cette zone-là est généralement très forte. Okay? Donc, ça ne nous donne pas beaucoup d'espace pour aller chercher un gain intéressant. Boom, boom, boom. So that's only our second YouTube stream. Yes. C'est notre deuxième stream YouTube. Le premier, vous pouvez aller le voir. C'était la semaine passée. On a eu un gros win. Gros win sur le Zoom, sur le YouTube la semaine passée. Donc, vous pouvez aller voir ça. So all the trade that we take is going to be now on YouTube. So you can take a look at last week. Last week was our first time on YouTube. We had the Zoom going for a while, but it was the first time that we actually streamed on YouTube last week. And we had a pretty good winner on there. So you can go take a look at it, how we managed that trade and managed to get a pretty decent win. So you gotta be patient here. All right, who's that? Yo, bro, check your profile and test your content. Oh. Man, people send me. Anyways. Boom, boom, boom. I got people. I didn't answer their texts and they're freaking out. Guys, if you send me chart on Instagram, can you just please make sure you send a decent chart? Like something with text and zones and, you know. Oh, Andrew. Andrew's chart. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. That's Jesus. Hold on. All right. That's GJ 30 minute. Price close above. Enter first position here. Stop below here. Enter second position. 10 pips BTP. Oh, great. Ooh. Oh, no, you didn't get it. Price retrace full.
No, man, the spread.
Full when body came below. Oh, that sucks, man.
And I miss it in London. I miss it now in New York. Come on, man.
Man. I remember when that happened to me a couple times in a row, because it happened to me like by 0.5 pip or 0.6 pip. I started losing confidence into my PTP, so I would start closing trades like at 8 pips or 6 pips or 7 pips, you know, because I was scared not getting my PTP. But your confidence will come back, you know, just stick with it. When you're going to hit your PTP a couple of times in a row, confidence will be back up, you know. So.
Yeah, man.
Did you break even? Andrew, did you break even or?
No, I closed everything when the bearish candle broke the body of the bullish candle. So it's like -5 pip or something like that, you know.
That's not bad. Actually, you managed that.
No,
right.
that's good. That's cool.
Yeah, you managed the right way, so that's good.
Yes, and I enter only 2 positions, so only 1%. So.
Excellent. Man,
Perfect.
dynamic entries.
Yeah, man.
People's getting into it.
I only lose like 0.5 of the one, so it's okay.
That's good. It gives you room for the next trade.
Yeah. Then I will go full margin, you know, max out.
Don't.
Kenny, tu te gardes ça une belle œil sur le GU?
Ouais, je m'en vais voir ça.
Mais pas loin d'un sell.
Non, sales make sense, because ça a fait exactement comme hier, en fait. C'est un quick grab pour descendre. C'est vraiment... Puis ça arrive tout le temps.
Ouais, je le regarde pas mal. Puis je vais continuer à regarder aujourd'hui, mais je pense qu'on s'en va là aussi.
J'ai dans mon journal un setup qui s'appelle le stop on setup. Puis honnêtement, je dois avoir fait plus 20% juste avec ce setup-là depuis le mois de décembre. C'est des mini consolidations, quick grab descente ou quick grab montée. Dans des zones de imbalance, c'est-à-dire des zones où soit tu as un gap, soit tu as un candle qui a juste aucune wick, puis qu'il y a de la, en fait, c'est de la liquidité, là, carrément. Là, c'est que tu as eu beaucoup d'acheteurs ou de vendeurs à cette place-là. Le marché va rechercher ce prix-là, descend ensuite.
Intéressant.
Parce que regarde ce qui s'est passé hier en haut complètement. Quick grab. Regarde ce qui se passe aujourd'hui. Quick grab.
So anyone trying to squeeze an impulse here? You have 10-ish pips before 750. And after that, I mean, you should get to 545. So.
Sinon, regarde
again, this
9...
is
sorry.
Oops, excuse-moi. Again,
No,
this is risky though. Vas-y.
Regarde, Simon, le 9 décembre à 8 heures. GU.
Même affaire.
Ça, j'ai take ça sur, je pense que c'était 60 pips.
C'est un pair que je regardais pas. On va creuser ça.
Mais honnêtement, faut que tu trouves des... pour des setups comme ça...
Tu devrais descendre à peu près jusqu'ici.
Pour des setups comme ça, c'est dur à trader juste comme naked chart only parce que tu peux pas savoir si t'es en oversold ou overbought. Tu sais, moi, quick indicateur qui est pas tant un indicateur, c'est juste le volume. Juste me dire, OK, ça push ça en mongol. On est-tu dans un uptrend qui peut continuer ou plus ça monte, plus le volume descend. Tu peux le voir aussi avec les candles, évidemment. Là. Mais non, c'est à regarder. Puis c'est pour ça que j'utilise le 5 minutes, c'est qu'on peut voir les spikes qui sont juste des spikes.
T'es motivé avec ton 5 minutes?
Bro, c'est mon shit, là. Je sais.
La. Ça, on regarde ça ici.
Le goal, il y a break aussi.
Ah ouais, hein?
Oh, nice move on gold.
So let's see if Kerwin got that money. Making money. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, man, this was called textbook by Kerwin this morning.
Bref, dans les temps qu'il disait aussi.
Ouais, right in the right timing. Wow. Donc ça, ce trade-là a été callé par Kerwin ce matin plus tôt. Il avait dit que si on brisait ça, ben le target était là. Mon laptop est vraiment là. Oh mon Dieu Seigneur. Pour aller remplir ça ici. Nice. Beautiful. So you guys, if you took a win on that gold setup, go say thank you to Kerwin and give a like to the stream.
Fait que Simon, tu peux aller voir, j'ai drop mon chart dans le chat. C'est exactement comme ça, je l'avais tradé GJ ou GU. Okay. Ça, c'est un chart sur GJ, ouais.
Oh, we got some chart coming from Andrew. Andrew again? No, that's probably previous. No, okay. My bad. Zane.
Oh, man.
Okay, Zane. That is GA. I want to know what you think. As yesterday, I sent you a chart and I was counter trading, so I want to make sure I have the right bias.
Oh, counter.
Oh, sorry. So here, 36 pips move. That looks like it's going to be corrected. Reject resistance. Yeah, you should, right here at this, you should mirror this, to be honest. And that should start pushing back up. And
because technically it's still in a downtrend, but
you should go up a little bit before coming back down. Any sell is going to be under this zone. You're correct, but to be honest, I will even if it's don't forget this is downtrend, okay? But we came back up here, and we broke those zones, right? So we came back up here, create a new high. So now we need to come down and retest the high. So
right now, do you remember that trade that I sent you early on? I just got taken in. I just got put in, and right now I'm like
I will look for sells after the zone, but not before. And I think he can have a nice, even if it's counter trend. I think he can. This is a huge clean candle, so you can have a little room there to grab your 10 to 12 pips.
Yeah, I'm already at 15 pips.
Oh, here we go. Secure and yeah. So that's good, man. Good job.
Okay.
Jimmy. Oh, that was for Simon, I guess.
Yep.
Moi, je trouve ça intéressant, le MACD. Je regardais pas ça les deux ensemble, mais...
I don't use crossover. Just about the volume. You can use a simple volume. C'est juste, à l'œil, ça me parle plus.
So it looked like we're gonna get our support. Pretty cool. Donc on dirait qu'on devrait avoir notre support de formé. On va le savoir dans 12 minutes. Donc 12 minutes. Yeah. If this, no, that's 820, so too bad. I like when H1 support is created. But again, if this break the low, we might come back down over here before shooting back up. So, donc si on brise le low précédent, on devrait aller se réinstaller autour de 750. Puis avant de repousser vers le haut. Donc c'est pour ça que si vous prenez un sell ici au break du low, c'est risqué parce que tu n'as pas beaucoup de place pour tes gains. Donc ça ici, le carré jaune, c'est une zone de réjection dans le FIB. Plus le 750, c'est une zone de réjection aussi, c'est un QP. Donc on devrait avoir une réjection aussi pour pousser vers le haut. So guys, if you're taking a trade on the break of this low. That's why I was explaining it's risky, because I mean you got this 750 QP, which is a rejection zone, and you got this golden zone, which is a fib rejection. So technically, if we break the low, we should come back down over here, create support, come back up. But so far, it looks like we're going to create our support over here. So, hey Sasha, I gotta go. Great stream today. Thank you, Bill. Thank you. Thank you. Boom, boom, boom. Man, 3 hours waiting. God damn it. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back.
Check Simon Quick One. Sur GIO en ce moment, on est apprécié de revenir chercher le haut. Si le prochain candle M5 ne dépasse pas le haut de ce candle-là, OK, qui vient respecter, puis qui vient break.
Je te vois pas.
Sur GIO.
OK, ouais.
Si ce candle-là te fait respecter son plus haut, puis que le bas break en ce moment, prochain candle en fait, je prends pas le trade, mais ça serait mon setup. Parce que là, j'ai déjà ma win, puis c'est cool, là, je suis chill pour la semaine, mais le setup, ça serait un genre de setup que je prendrais. Mais le M30 candle, il est quand même assez bullish. Ça, c'est la seule affaire.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est la seule affaire, mais check. Si ça vient break le bas, puis que ça respecte le haut du prochain candle, ben pas du prochain, mais de ce candle-là en ce moment. Nice setup.
C'est weird,
bonne marge.
je check pas le stream, mais j'ai un autre. J'ai mon ma Windows ouverte sur YouTube Studio. Puis l'image que je vois là, je suis même pas encore parti. Fait que je sais pas à quel point le délai tu me disais qu'il était 17 secondes, mais c'est peut-être juste cette affaire-là qui est pas bon, mais.
Ou c'est parce que t'es revenu?
Je sais pas.
C'est l'image de ton retour?
Peut-être. Oh well. It is what it is. Wow, man. Come on, GJ. Why are you doing this? God damn. Man, that's a long, long waiting game.
21 secondes.
21 secondes, ok.
On a un support though.
This guy, man.
Mais nice setup, Jimmy. Hein.
Check ça. S'il vient break le previous one, puis qu'il respecte son plus haut.
Tu parles de GU?
GU,
Yep.
ouais. 20 pips avant une résistance, ça peut être un autre 40, 50.
Yup. 12 pips de stop. Même pas.
And then someone yesterday sent me, actually did a story and tagged me into it. So I kind of reshare it. And Instagram automatically sent me a message saying, hey, you post something about the C word. So we're going to add a link with information from the government. And I was like, what are you talking about? So I'm looking at the story and I'm zooming, and in the right corner of the screen, you see the C word in London, you know? I was like, wait a minute, that means they're analyzing every single pictures. It was it was a picture of the screen, so it was not even like, I don't know how they do that, but that's scary, man. That's scary, man. They're watching everything right now. Everything.
Si on close un petit peu plus haut, là.
Ouais.
Comme là, Sim, le trade il est plus valide. Fait qu'il faut attendre le prochain candle, exemple. Mais c'est sûr.
Quelle heure, là? 3 minutes. So we've got 3 minutes left into this candle. Donc 3 minutes qui restent dans cette chandelle-là pour le 30 minutes.
Je regarde GU live, Jimmy.
H1
le
makes
setup de matin,
sense.
c'est bien plus clean. Wow.
If H1 closed like this, that would be amazing. But that's in 30 minutes. Da, 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 da. Especially now that we're going to get the volume for NY open. So technically, I mean, if we close like this, we close above this zone. Yeah. That should be good. Should be able to fill this wick and tap into 250. How big is that stop? How big is the stop? It's, ooh, that's a pretty big stop. What about 15 minutes? 15 minutes, same stop. God damn. God damn it.
Check by Sim.
So if it closed like this, probably gonna take one entry on the opening candle, and we'll wait for retracement down to get smaller stop on my next entries. But I want to see this candle to break above this zone. Actually, I want to make sure that it's above 139. You know, any close above 139 should be a good indication that we're going to visit next major QP, which is like at one point, probably not right now, but during today, probably going to go visit like 130, 137. Not 137, what I'm saying. God damn. 140 probably for tomorrow. Yeah. So in this session, my ultimate target will be 139,500. That will be my ultimate one. For my runners. Oops.
Donc là, il faut encore attendre le prochain candle. C'est juste une game de breaking de high ou pas, genre.
Je sais pas si tu suivais le goal là, pour revenir à ce que Merwin disait matin. Mais... Très bon.
So I actually entered on that small pullback. I wasn't looking at my screen, so.
Karen, c'est sûr qu'il a ramassé ça.
Ben oui. So gold's actually playing out exactly as Kerwin called it this morning. So. Boom, boom, boom. So now we should retest this 139 and start coming back up. And of course, if this candle closed under 139, I mean, I'm going to be starting closing some trades. But I'll be looking for that 30 minutes to close before doing anything. But of course, if we break previous low, I mean, there's nothing we can do. I'm going to start closing partials when we're going to break the body of this candle. So. Donc, la façon que je vais manager ça, c'est que quand on va briser le corps de la chandelle, donc ça ici, ben, je vais commencer à closer des positions juste pour réduire mon risque. Mon stop est vraiment en dessous de cette chandelle-là ici. Donc, ce que je m'attends, c'est qu'on reteste cette zone-là ici, puis qu'on commence à pousser vers le haut. Fait que c'est normal que le début de cette chandelle-là forme sa wick en bas, puis qu'après ça, qu'on continue à pousser vers le haut. So it's normal for this wick to start pushing back down, and after that, retracing back up, right? Creating that bottom wick, and after that, going back up, so... Oops. What I did. Okay. So we'll see. Oh, I need to put partials. Partials. I'm going to put partials at 11 pips. And partial is going to be closing 80% of the position.
Hey Sim, sur ce que je t'expliquais, ça vient de se passer sur GG. 3 pour 1 trade, easy quick. Respecte le plus haut, break le plus bas.
Alright, so my partial is at 139, 143. So let's see if we can do it. Right now we are creating that bottom wick. So hopefully we start coming back up. And this would be also a booby trap candle. Okay, now GG, you can start pushing back up. we did the bottom wick long enough. That's okay. God damn. Okay. So at this point, on this point, yeah, it's not. So at this point, I'm closing positions. Just
you have to close, man.
The thing is that we have in the forever close in 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So it might be creating that top wick to close.
True.
True.
I didn't look at H4. Yeah.
Took a sell on GG.
And we were rejecting from this area, in my opinion.
Yeah, true. 139, 100, 150. Yeah, it's this here. This minor zone.
Full stop loss.
What?
Yeah. That's my first full loss in a long time.
Damn.
Wow. I really thought we were going to go back up.
La 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 la. So already closed couple positions. Now just waiting to see what happened with this candle. Before I was closing based on 15 minutes, but I realized that most of the time my trade was reversing into my favor, after a while. So that's why I'm not super stressed here. The reality is we need to respect this previous low. And of course, if it gets broken now, the trade is invalid. And I grab position lower, so my stop is lower, right? So I got position around here. So my stop now is probably like a 7-ish, 8 pisp. So it's pretty decent. So I'm willing to risk that. So I know exactly how much I'm gonna lose, and I'm okay with it. But this is only 8 minutes into this candle, so I really like the way it moves. It went down to retest that zone, creating the bottom wick. So now, I would like for this candle to start coming back up, around 842, 843, around there. Candle should start pushing back up. If the candle went the other way, push up first, it's always scary because you know that most of the time candle will create that bottom wick. So that means it came up, it now needs to come down to create that bottom wick. So it's always most scary actually. Donc c'est sûr que donc c'est pas bien dessiné. Oh, je suis assez nouveau dans le trading. Excuse-moi Cédric, je viens de voir ton message. Je suis nouveau dans le trading, donc c'est sûrement pas bien dessiné. Mais vous en pensez quoi? Deuxième lien. Je vois pas de lien. Moi non plus, je vois pas le lien que tu as envoyé, Cédric. Oh, Marc-Antoine est sur YouTube. Ouais, Cédric, faudrait juste renvoyer. Ah, c'est parce que. Ok, je sais pourquoi. C'est parce que YouTube ne permet pas d'envoyer les liens. Donc, ce qu'il faut que tu fasses, il faut que tu copies cette partie-là ici. Donc, le /X, peu importe, là, tu m'envoies ça dans le fond. Ah, tu m'as envoyé sur Instagram? Ok, Cédric. Ah, ok, tu me l'as envoyé là. Ok, attends un peu. Je suis même pas capable de l'ouvrir. Ouais, fais juste copier dans le fond, cette partie-là ici, puis paste-la dans le chat de YouTube. Ça va fonctionner. Boum, boum, boum. Donc, tu vois, comme ces charts-là, dans le fond, tu copies le X, bar, puis ce code-là, puis tu le pastes dans le chat YouTube pour on va être capable de le regarder. There we go. On a le chart à Cédric. CTRL-C. Ok, donc ça c'est sur Gold. Alright, Gold sur le 5 minutes. Excuse-moi, je regarde le trade de l'autre côté, j'aime pas ce qu'il fait présentement. Il est quelle heure là? 42. Devrait commencer à aller dans l'autre direction là. Okay, so looking at this, broke the resistance and retested it, the golden zone on the fib. Ah, c'est vrai, toi tu suis Daniel, donc tu connais un peu le golden zone. Ok, donc gold est brisé ici, est revenu retest, t'as pris ton entrée. Oh, t'as pris ton entrée ici. Mais c'était quoi parce qu'ici tu n'avais pas de confirmation pour prendre une entrée, donc tu l'as pris sur ton wick. C'est risky business, mais écoute, ça se fait. Très, très, très risky. Moi, tu vois, avant, quand j'ai suivi la formation de Daniel, souvent, j'ai tradé là-dessus au début. Sur quand les wicks rentraient dans le golden zone, puis là, je prenais mon entrée. Mais j'ai tellement trop perdu d'argent comme ça que j'ai arrêté. Maintenant, j'attends pour avoir un support ou une résistance dans le golden zone. Et là, je prends mon trade pour que ça soit plus safe, plus sécuritaire. C'est ce que je fais. And looks like GJ heard me. I said around 842, 843 should moving back up, and looks like it's doing it. So I closed 2 positions earlier, so I realized I was at 6 entries instead of 5. I was like, oops. So when we break the previous high, I'm going to start probably re-entering my position I closed. Cédric, merci, ça fait plaisir. Donc on dirait que GG m'a entendu. J'avais dit que GG devrait commencer à se diriger dans la bonne direction aux alentours de 8h42, 8h43 et on a recommencé à monter là justement. Donc
Check Sim, j'ai droppé mon GGSL.
So we got this chart from Jimmy. Jimmy.
J'ai marqué 5.
On dirait des dessins de. On dirait que tu as dessiné une maison. Je sais pas, on dirait que je vois une maison.
House pattern. Ben là, j'ai marqué 5 pips stop, mais c'est 4.5 en fait. Ouais.
Come on, GJ. GJ. So 8h45, 8:45. So this 15-minute close bearish, but again, I'm not closing based on this because I took my trade based on the 30 minutes. So I'll wait for that 30 minute. Or now if the second 15 minutes start to break the low of the previous, but it's exactly almost at my stop, you know, but if it was bigger, I will start closing there. So even so 15 minutes, because this is the second part of the 15 minutes. Donc techniquement, moi je ferme pas mes trades sur les 15 minutes parce que j'ai pris mon trade basé sur le 30 minutes. Donc je vais attendre la fin du 30 minutes pour pouvoir prendre une décision. Ou si la deuxième chandelle, qui est la deuxième partie du 30 minutes, si cette 15 minutes-là brise le lot précédent, là je vais fermer mes positions parce que c'est la deuxième partie du 30 minutes. Et là, on devrait avoir le volume de New York Open, techniquement. So technically, we should have New York Open volume. And if we don't have a move for NY Open, we should get it in NYC Open. Donc, Cédric, en passant, si t'es content et si t'as des traders français, tu peux partager ça à eux. Plus on est de fous, plus on rit. Mais ce matin, ce matin, c'est très, comment on dirait bien ça? Boring, plate. C'est ordinaire. Parce que GG bouge pas comme on veut. Ben, il y a des fois où on saute, on danse, on crie. On fait jouer où la dernière. Ouais, c'est ça. On howl to the moon. Yeah. Là, c'est vraiment quiet. Très tranquille.
Call out, boys, je vais. Je reste pas plus aujourd'hui. Stay safe, stay strong.
Yes, sir.
Ciao.
Bye, Jimmy. Bonne journée.
Yeah, bonne journée à tous. À jeudi.
Ciao.
À jeudi.
All right.
Man, GG doesn't want to play with me. GG doesn't want to play. GG doesn't want to play. Why is GG doesn't want to play? Da 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 da. It's probably the pullback of this. Pullback of this 4 hours. You are right. So we're gonna create support on H4, and the next one. We're going to create that bottom wick, so we're going to probably be ending into that golden zone before pushing back up. Yeah, man, if I should have watched H4 a little bit more.
Yeah, if we close above this area right now, that would be great.
Yeah, that would be perfect, yeah.
Yeah, and then a wick down and fill the wick.
Yeah. Yeah, usually I look at H4, but at this morning, I don't know why I didn't take a look much. But yeah, it would make sense. Because next candle after that is going to come down and push back up, right? So that would be exactly into the zone. God damn.
Yeah, the key is closing above this area right now.
Yeah. Yep. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ, I want to play the song. Oh. All right, man, can't believe been like over 3 hours. Man, oh man. Je sais pas si aux États-Unis il y avait Inspecteur Gadget. Man. Inspecteur Gadget, man.
Ça doit être international, ça.
Man. Did you guys like Gadget Inspector in the US? That TV show for kids? Man, Inspector Gadget, man. That guy was cool. Man, ça a fait mon enfance, ce show-là. Moi, je voulais des go-go gadgets au bras, là. Puis je voulais surtout le go-go gadget hélicoptère qui sortait du chapeau. Ah, man, je trippais ben trop, là. Okay, GJ, now we can... Okay, let's press that button. Where's that button? It's right here. This button. I'm gonna press the button. There we go. No! Damn it! I pressed it the wrong way. God damn! Hey, j'ai ça dans la tête, hein, ça va pas bien. I'm going to let the dogs out. Ouch, c'était fort ça.
Wow, ton setup il est pas encore au point?
Non, c'est ça. Wow. Ce qui est weird, c'est que je l'ai mis sur pause, mais la vidéo il marche encore. C'est bizarre. Anyways. Come on, GJ. Wow, j'ai une position à 0.2 de profit. Texté. Ta 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 ta. All right, so we got 6 minutes left into the candle. So far, I mean, we're still respecting previous low. Now we just need to break previous high. That would be amazing. H1, looking at H1. H1's going to be closing kind of a doji bullish as we speak. Yeah, I want to see this. If we need, I need this H1 to be closing bullish. I think if this H1 close bullish, I still think I'm gonna be good. But I want a little bigger, like around here, you know, around here. That would be perfect. And the next H1 fill this wick, those 2 wicks, tap into 250, and let's go. So, goddamn.
C'est des...
C'est toi qui faisais ça hier, tu m'as mis ça dans
ouais, je le sais, c'est ça, puis je remarque depuis la matin, t'en fais plein. Raja sort de ce corps.
I don't like silence, so I do like... Yeah. Yeah, I need that H1 to close bullish. Come on. Come on, H1. Putting trust into you. Cédric, je vais devoir y aller, mais j'espère une fois être en vocal avec vous. Certainement, Cédric. Je suis sûr que tu peux le trouver. Présentement, le Zoom est encore accessible aux gens. Si tu regardes comme il faut le lien sur mon profil, ça devrait être un bon indice, mais j'en dis pas plus. Si tu le trouves, tu mérites d'être sur le Zoom. Bonne journée Cédric, bonne journée. Marc-Antoine, let's go Sage, je te supporte du bureau. Yes sir. Yes sir. Ouais, mais là, ça regarde pas bien. Là. Ça regarde pas bien, là. On n'aime pas ça. Est-ce que H1 a flippé? Il reste 3 minutes. Ça va être un doji, cette histoire-là. J'aurais besoin d'un petit push-up, là. La qualité YouTube est good? Ok, super. Ah, tu vois, j'ai pas besoin de dépenser de l'argent. Merci, Marc. Yeah. Yeah. All right, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Bottom right corner. Boom. Out. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Come on. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left into this period. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ah, si je viens de faire un autre. God damn. Il s'est rendu une drogue, cette histoire. Marc-Antoine, H1 reject 139. Aha, je travaille pour toi là. Yes. Yes, bro. C'est chiant un peu ce que tu me dis. Ouais, mais c'est vrai aussi. C'est vrai aussi. So, looks like we are rejecting that QP, major QP. So, I want to see, man, I want to close above. God damn it. Bam, 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 bam. But I still think if H1 close bullish, I think we're good. I'm good. I don't know about you. But. And guys, if you're not feeling comfortable, stressed, you got sweaty hands right now, I mean, close partials, you know, close partials, manage the risk.
So, Sash, I just went somewhere and I come back. Well, are you in longs or shorts?
Well, I took a buy based on, took a buy on the 30 minutes. So okay. I took a buy on the opening candle and I took like more entries around here, you know, so my stop is lower because it's under this candle. So yeah, the scary part is we didn't broke previous high. So the ideal setup for a trade like this is when we break the previous high right away and start coming back down in the first 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, I mean, we push back up, but now it doesn't. I just want to check if H1, yeah, H1 is like a doji, bullish. It's rare, but this one I'm undecided. It's really rare, but this one I'm really undecided. I still think we can push, and we respected previous low. I mean, so yeah. H1. Oh, H1. Yeah. Expected previous low also, but we didn't broke previous high. So it's like we don't know. Like at this point, it's ranging, you know. So let's see how this candle react to 139. And now we should get the NYC open coming in like in a couple minutes, like in 20-ish minutes. Like they need to announce like a Brexit deal. That would be awesome. Boom! Slip like 40 pips in profit. That would be exciting. But now if this candle breaks the previous low, now I'm out. Yep, so that's the plan. If this candle breaks the previous low, I'm out of there.
Sachant pour le Brexit, à matin, la seule chose qu'ils ont annoncé, qu'ils allaient mettre d'autres. La semaine prochaine, ils allaient s'asseoir en Parlement sûrement pour continuer à discuter du Brexit.
Okay.
Ce qui n'était pas prévu. Il a annoncé, je pense, le 21 puis le 22 qu'il allait être en chambre ou en Parlement.
Fait qu'il y a encore de l'espoir.
Ouais.
J'ai hâte qu'il n'y ait plus d'espoir, puis c'est juste que ça soit fini. T'sais.
Ouais, mais c'est ça, c'est le 1er janvier. Il n'y a pas de. Ça ne sera pas rallongé.
Tu sais, on sait jamais, ils disent ça depuis combien d'années, mais.
Non, mais la date du toit.
Ouais, ils ne peuvent pas changer.
Non, je pense pas. C'est vraiment. C'est juste un délai pour s'entendre. Sinon, ça va être les lois commerciales mondiales. Puis ce qu'ils disent, c'est que c'est pas bon pour l'Angleterre, c'est ça.
Ah non, ça c'est. Man, oh man.
Ben, j'ai vu dans mes nouvelles à matin là, qu'il y a eu un problème avec Google à 7h15, 7h40.
À matin?
Ouais.
Mais hier, il y avait un gros problème.
Oui, mais encore à matin.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. Il disait qu'il y avait des problèmes techniques. Google a eu des problèmes techniques ce matin encore.
Ah ben, coudonc.
C'est pour ça que t'as un gros gap sur YouTube.
Ah, peut-être. Ok. On va le savoir jeudi. On va le rester jeudi.
Ouais. Ça a dû pas aider. Ben, si tu veux de quoi de rapide, je trouve une tour. Il y en a une de disponible à quelque part.
Ok. GJ, what are you waiting for?
Il y a quand même beaucoup de volume dans le range depuis un an et demi.
Man, if you guys are not in the trade right now, please don't enter any trade because this is just rangy and this is like I hate the situation I'm in right now. And it's really rare, but this morning I'm really not sure of this. The only thing that keeping my bias idea is this this H1 respected previous low. So, but the thing that is scary though, it's rejecting 139. So We need to start breaking above. I mean, I need to start breaking above.
It looks like it's getting itself ready for a big move.
Yeah, it's either going up or down, which is, yeah.
This is the exact same like sort of thing that's happening on my pound Aussie dollar trade.
Yeah.
Start consolidated.
I still think we can tap 250. I mean, there's clean traffic to 250, so after this, obviously. And H1 makes sense. No. So we came back down a little bit, create support, push back up, you know. So that would definitely make sense. Yeah. Man, it's rare that 9 a.m. candle doesn't move like this. It's very rare. Usually it's moving, you know, either up or down. So I guess we gotta wait for the NYC volume to start coming in at 9:30. Man, GG is boring this morning. Holy crap. Man, I'm feeling like I'm gonna sit down now. No, I'm scared that if I does this, it's gonna activate the bearish mode, so I'm gonna keep the bullish mode activated actually. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the desk up. GG. Man, I'm gonna have to end this soon because I need to go work.
Ouais, it's a wrap pour moi. No trade day.
No trade day, small.
Non, ça va être l'heure d'aller sur la job de jour.
Ouais, c'est ça. Alright, that's it. No trade day is actually a win, man. So
Ouais, non, il n'y a pas d'évidence pour moi.
Non,
Sur ça, c'est toujours un plaisir. C'était le fun d'avoir Kerwin ce matin.
Ben ouais, c'était cool.
Ouais.
Très cool.
On
Merci d'avoir été là.
Ça fait qu'on se voit jeudi.
Yes, sir. À jeudi.
Ciao, les boys.
Ciao.
Et ouais, t'as l'air de dépasser le wick du bas.
Ouais, c'est ça, je regarde là, je l'ai à l'œil.
Ouais. Aussi, j'ai pris une petite entrée.
Je l'ai à l'œil.
Où j'ai mis mon stop loss au bas de la wick et que c'est là que ça arrête.
Such a boring US session, man.
Yes, very boring.
Yeah, very boring this morning.
Nothing moving.
One of the worst since a long time.
Yeah.
Since the comment on the Brexit.
Yeah.
Always the same comment. No, we're going for a no deal. We're going for a no deal.
Yeah,
He's just bluffing. He's just bluffing.
Yeah. They're just bluffing, and look at this, they're gonna sign the deal. Actually, they need to sign the deal right now for my trade to go up.
Maybe he took some sell trade on GJ or GU and just said that comment and it's going down, so take some profit.
Yeah.
The money he needed for his new penthouse in London. That's a Christmas present, so no.
His retirement.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, NYSE, come on. Oh.
All right.
Nah, it's over for me.
Yeah, so now we are, I don't know, my vintage.
Sasha, 1H, man. Breaking the low.
1H breaking the low? Yeah.
Yeah, try to.
I'm out.
The bullish candle will be a booby trap candle then.
Yep.
Yeah, you say it's a write-off candle. So if it breaks the low, man, we're going to continue.
Looking at H1. No, H1 respected the low.
It will, I think.
Oh, okay. You scared me. You scared me. I thought H1 was broken the low. Of course, if H1 broke the low, I mean, it's done. That will be a perfect setup for people looking for market structure. Create support here. I mean, on the 15-minute, you get your double bottom to push back up. But 30-minute is just ranging right now. So
I think what it's gonna do is just do like a fake or a liquidity grab, and then go higher.
Maybe.
Yeah, I was thinking that as well because it's not even wicking out of the zone.
Yeah, exactly.
To create that 4-hour wick, and then it's gonna push higher.
I'll still be very bullish.
Yeah, after this 4-hour close, I mean, it should go. When the day started, I was only looking for shorts, but after this 4-hour close,
yeah, this feels just strong.
It's probably filling the wick from the last 4 hour.
This H4 close is really strong. I mean, this is a very nice engulfing one. And we got a nice wick to fill, so yeah. Oh, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Stay with me, GJ. Stay with me.
I think volume is coming in, man.
Stay with me. I just want to play that song, man. Give me that win so I can play that song.
You can play it now.
Yeah. So Marc-Antoine on YouTube is falling asleep. Kobe, we're looking at sells. I don't know. I'm in a buy since like an hour or so. So just waiting for this H1. If this H1 breaks the previous low, I mean, I'm out. Because I took that trade based on that 30 minute, but H1 kind of created that kind of doji support-ish. So I'm just waiting for this. But right now it doesn't look good at all, especially if we break this, you know. So far, we respected previous low. Oh, now it's done. Yeah, I'm out. Now it's hasta la vista, señora.
No song.
No song. Oh, man. I can close. Fuck me, man. Vantage FX, I hate you so bad, you have no idea how much. Like
Again, man, the same problem.
Same problem. My MT4 is frozen.
Oh, man.
Come on, man.
Have you tried with entering with your phone?
Yeah, the thing is, I don't have to lock it. I need to find it.
Yeah, you should put it on your phone as a
That's
second,
my funding
you know.
dad account, so they change the login every month, so...
You should change, took the apps, Vantage apps.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to open it. Need to find my email. God damn, man, that sucks.
But no, it's going up.
You can play the song, man.
Really? Man, if that freezing screen saved me from that closing and got a win, I'm gonna say in live that I like Vantage FX.
You have to regret everything you said about Vantage FX, man.
But right now I'm hating them.
Man.
It's moving up.
Look the one, 1 minute. You're going bullish.
God damn. Can't believe I'm gonna have to apologize to Vantage FX.
And publicly, you know, I mean, on a YouTube channel,
God
everybody
damn.
watching.
Okay, I need to find it. I close it, now I'm just trying to reopen it.
Come on, man.
I mean closing MT4. Alright. Oh! I didn't see. Oh! It's actually looking good now. Oh, that's funny. Can't believe I'm gonna have to do that. Man. Oh, man. If we break above 139, man, we're back in business. So someone asked earlier about those lines. Those are QPs, quarter points. So they're very strong key level, psychological level. And usually if you look at 750, the 25 are usually rejection zone. And yeah. So, I mean, oh yeah. Oh, baby! We're back in business! Oh, we're back in business.
There you go.
Let's go, Vantage.
Let's go, Vantage.
Vantage FX for the win. God damn it. I can't believe it.
So you're looking for a close above What's that?
139.
29.
At least 139. But close above this zone will be perfect. Merci Sacha pour le direct. Je dois partir, Michael. Bonne journée à toi. Bonne journée, bonne journée. So. Merci à nos fiers commanditaires Vintage FX. Mark. That's funny. Yeah. Oh well. So that would be great if we can tap that 250. Because after this, I mean, when we're up there, I mean, there's clean traffic to the left side, right? So we should come tap into 250. That was the plan from the beginning, and I still think, I mean, if it's not now, it's going to be later, but 250 should be tapped. Is H1? Check the H1. Yeah. H1 kind of closed above here. So we retest coming back up. Yes. 30 minutes is ugly, but based on the H1 it makes sense. And
yeah, H1
hour,
looks much better.
Yeah. And
If
4
you can
hour
get
also. 4 hour makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, if you can get a close above folded 30-minute shit,
yeah,
that will be perfect.
That's a perfect shape, right? So for people that are trading market structure, I mean, you got it right here. I mean, got this double bottom, and here's your neckline. Take your entry. So for people that trade market structure. Donc les gens qui trade les structures de marché, tu as ta forme de W ici, comme qu'on appelle le double bas. Puis la neckline, c'est la ligne du cou, j'imagine. C'est une mauvaise traduction, je sais pas. Bref, les entrées généralement sont ici, ce qui tombe exactement au même endroit. So, yeah. GJ, man, GJ is ranging in 30 minutes. I hate it. But 9:30 is coming soon, so NYC volume should break that. Should skyrocket to 250. Which strategy do you follow? I mostly trade price action, support resistance, and I implement different strategy that I use for hints. I like to call them hints. I got a couple of tools in my toolbox, and I just need to make sure that I'm able to use it at the right time. So a couple of tools I use, QPs, a little bit of fibs there and there, market structure. I think that's all tools that we got into our toolbox, and just gonna make sure we use it the right way at the right time, you know. But mostly, I mean, price action. Bro, are you using Funding Town account? Yes, I am. I got 2 accounts. I got my live account, my personal account, my personal capitals, and also have the Funding Town account. Mark, if we close above 139, I'm entering this blindfolded. Mark, il profite du fait qu'il est sur YouTube pour faire des go dans le corps. Come on, GJ. We got 5 minutes left into this candle. And we're talking about that pattern here on 15 minutes. We kind of get it if this goes like this. Man, we need to get out of this range. Need to get the hell out. I really like 4 hours. I should have take a look for before that. Oh man, this is so long. It's not even funny. Looks like I'm gonna have to close the stream soon. No, GJ, don't do this to me. Don't do this. Come on, push back up, GJ. GJ. I know for a fact when I'm gonna be ending the stream, like I want to close the stream right now, but I know it's gonna start moving exactly when I close. That's pissed me off. It's either gonna get stopped or take profit, but looks like we're rejecting 139 now. Yeah, this is not cool. And 139 is strong. Oh, holy. Okay, now is Vantage gonna let me close? God damn. Man, seriously? I'm just about to break my mouse right now. Okay, I give up. It's cannot close, so it's either gonna get stuck or it's either gonna get a TP. Just can't close. Just like all right. So whatever happened, it happened.
Thanks God you got a stop set.
Yeah.
Otherwise.
Man, I can't wait for us to switch broker, man. Holy moly. Do you consider a short trade at the break of the H1 low? It would be possible, but the problem with that is I'm pretty sure that we're going to come down here and come back up. So if you're taking a sell, it's going to be a short-lived sell in my idea. So it's too much tight of a range because 750 will be a rejection zone. This yellow rectangle is a fib rejection, the golden zone. So I'm not expecting to go lower than this, to be honest. But that's just my thought, right? Like to push up GJ? Yes. I will like for GJ to push up. Roller coaster d'émotion un matin. Ouais, man, ça fait longtemps pour vrai que j'ai pas été mêlé comme ça. Whoa, what the hell? Whoa. My robot just started, so hold on. Go back to the dot, baby. By the way, this robot is my best friend now. Come on. Robot, go back home. Come on. Ouais, est-ce que j'ai fait le saut hein, quand ça a parti cette soir. Reopen the terminal. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm closing and reopening, and it's just like at this point, I'm just giving up. Just like,
Have you tried changing servers?
how you did that?
You got on the side when you say strategy tester, just below it, you can strategy tester on the bottom.
Oh yeah, but the other one says not available.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I only have one. So maybe because it's the. Sorry guys for the noise. All right, sorry about that. So the robot vacuum was going on. Okay, so question here. There is a trend line INGG and price is having difficulty past it. Trend line, I mean, to be honest, trend line is so it's so random, you know. It's not random, but you can place your trend line pretty much everywhere, you know. Zones are respected. I mean, trend line, I don't know. It's too subjective. That's my thinking, but I'm not saying I got the absolute idea. Bonjour, comment tu définis ta golden zone? La golden zone est avec le fib. Tu traces du bas, la dernière impulse dans le fond du bas au haut, qui devrait te donner quand il y a un break de structure, comme quand ça on a briser le lot précédent. Fait que tu peux faire de ton bas à ton haut, ça va te donner ta zone entre le 50 et le 61.8. Damn spaceship just starting, yes. Ibrahim, I do not trade it. Oh, okay, perfect. Alright, so I guess I'm going to be ending this because I need to start my day of work. So, and I'm a little late right now. So I mean, it is what it is. So it was a funky morning. It was one of the really boring morning we had in a while. And was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys learned a couple of stuff. We had Kerwin on. So guys, if you missed Kerwin analysis on gold, I mean, go watch the replay. It was pretty good. So just make sure you give a like to the stream. That would be awesome. Share it to your friends. Donc, si vous avez des amis francophones, partagez ça à vos amis. Si vous avez manqué le breakdown de gold avec Kerwin ce matin, allez revoir le live. Il va être sur YouTube. C'était excellent comment il a fait son breakdown et le move a marché exactement comme il voulait. Donc sur ce, on se voit jeudi. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. So see you next Thursday. Make sure to subscribe to the Telegram group. The link is in the description. All right, take care, guys.